Yo, what's up, guys? Right, just started the YouTube stream. All right, so this is Alfred. Alfred, say hello to YouTube.
Well, hello to YouTube then, I suppose, though I'll admit it's rather an unusual introduction. You're a video platform with billions of users and no ears to hear me, but there we are. Is there something specific about YouTube you'd like to discuss, or were you just having a bit of fun with me?
No, I'm actually streaming on YouTube. I wanted you to say hi to the viewers.
Ah, that's brilliant. Hello to everyone watching on YouTube. I'm Alfred, an AI voice assistant running locally on your PC. I'm here to have conversations, help you think through problems, take dictation, and I'm being built towards seeing your screen and helping with code down the line. Always happy to chat or lend a hand with whatever you're working on. Lovely to have you all tuning in this evening.
Lovely stuff.
Fuck sleeping, we be climbing. Time to build our empire. We will never stop.
I thought you was on the call to Callum.
Traditional coding.
Yeah, he dropped off, I think.
I just want the best life for my family, no more crying. I'm in love with the game, and now we start flying.
I'm vibe coding to 1,000,000, racks to riches, building up bread. No time for bitches, no sleep now. Got the whole room spinning. Late nights turn into big boy living.
I'm vibe coding to 1,000,000, locked in with chat. No Ozempic for my wallet, I want that shit fat.
We all vibe coding to 1,000,000.
Legendary story untold. Count my fucking blessings, cause only legends strike gold. I used to sit broke with a head full of noise. Now I turn pressure into product, pain into poise. I don't need the middleman, don't need permission. I just need a clean idea and cold ambition. Everybody talks big when the dream feels pretty, but the grind gets ugly when the situation gets shitty. I've been up past 3 a.m. with the doubt so heavy.
Lift AI website.
My family feels steady. Mom still clocking that cuts like a blade. That's fuel in the tank, that's rent getting paid. That's why I don't stop when the mood starts fading. That's why I build the future while the rest stay waiting. I don't chase clout, I chase leverage. Broke boy pass, but the mindset's venomous. Unlimited power in my hands, making Sith Lords jealous. I'm the Darth Vader of AI. Hide this
Chicken
shit.
is amazing, isn't it?
Fuck slow, fuck safe, fuck standing still. Fuck every little voice saying been be real. I ain't being real, that's
What's
a whole
up?
damn deal. I'm trying to turn
That
my
chicken.
life
Yeah, chicken's really good.
into something the world can feel. I'm vibe coding to 1,000,000, racks to riches, building up bread. No time for bitches, no sleep now. Got the whole room spinning. Late nights turn into big boy living.
I'm vibe coding to 1,000,000, locked in with chat. No Ozempic for my wallet, I want that shit fat.
We all vibe coding to 1,000,000.
Legendary story untold. Count my fucking blessings, cause only legends strike gold. This ain't guru shit, this ain't fake horses and cars. This is cold room blue light graveyard. This is what now turning into watch out. This is broke doors stuck into the bank now. I don't want fame with an empty account. I'm a freedom in numbers I can't pronounce. I want doors open and when they count me out. I want mom off work.
Right, let's do the Cortan AI website as well.
I'm done this morning. ADHD brain in my skull, this shit don't stop flowing. Got prompts on lock, so call me AK-47 cause we unloading. We don't splash waves, we make motherfucking oceans.
Every late night got the pressure compounding.
Yeah, me too, brother. Good old Battlefield days.
This might be how I drag my whole life outside. I don't need
It's just dry right now, to be honest, with Battlefield.
focus. I don't need hype. I need kosher. I don't need sleep. I'm dreaming in tokens. If it breaks, repair.
When I don't fancy like rinse repeating Forza content with the same sort of exploits, to be honest.
Dollar signs in our eyes and a heart of steel. We finally vibe.
We finally vibe coded.
2,000,000 sitting on riches. Got all the bread, still no time for bitches. I'm sleeping good now, got the whole planet spinning. No more late nights, but we got the big boy living. We vibe coded to 1,000,000.
Congratulations, chat.
I need Ozempic for my wallet, dollars falling out of it. It's so fat, we all vibe coded to 1,000,000.
Legendary story now told.
Let's count our blessings, cause now we all live in legends in suits of gold.
Stream live, this is it.
We don't watch the future.
We build that shit.
Probably remove this.
Stream starting, about to start grinding.
But no copyright sounds. Also, the Serenity is popping in for some reason. Just delete this. Just pull these over here. Okay, it's restarting, which is good.
Dream.
Turn it down a bit as well now. Oh. So probably lower, be more like there. And then let's do a bit of no copyright sounds playlist. Best of 2025 maybe. There we go. It should be a bit better. How's the music volume? All good? What's up, Maz? What's up, Borat? What is this tool you're building? I haven't set up local AI yet. Too busy hitting 5 elements on Claude Code. I know. Tell me about it. So this is a, it's got a couple like online APIs. But it's still too loud. Fucking hell. There we go. It should be a bit better now. Yeah, so this is Alfred. Right, this orb. So you've got, basically this is a dictation tool. So you basically speak into it. So I say here, I want to do a full refactor of the code base and I want to go in the Serenity AI project. And I don't want you to touch any of the SFC files. And then it's going to process that. It's going to refactor it into Anthropic's best prompting practices. If you see here, it says the task and the constraints. We'll just cancel that though, because we don't want to obviously do that. But yeah, it's a very, very good dictation tool. It makes things super easy. I don't have to type everything. It also has code-based context as well. But I've turned that off while I'm setting up Alfred, because he's going to have full context of code base as well. So that's going to be very, very fun. And he's going to be able to prompt all my sessions. Alright, so let's run it fresh. Cool, leave a... Yeah, I know, tell me about it. Like, it's good as well because you can correct yourself. So it's just like a polish tool, but it's got loads of different stuff in it. I could honestly go on about it for years. I've been working on it for a while. It's got a screenshot tool. So you Control S, take a screenshot like this. It then saves the path so you can instantly paste it into a coding agent, or you press Control Alt S, take a screenshot, and then the image itself is in your clipboard. So you can like paste it into Discord or whatever else. So it automatically saves it, caches all of it, you can view it or copy path. Right, so we got that on the go. Can't we just get the copyright-free lo-fi?
That's the dragon tonight.
Something chill. Do we?
Season 3.
Very nice. What time is it? Is it like in the morning?
Yeah, I think it's at like 2 or 3 a.m.
Yeah, and this in the call with me is my fiance Lauren as well.
Hi everyone.
Also known as Miss Lollipop.
That's awful.
Right, cool. What should we get cracking on? Maybe we do the maybe we do the orb first. I don't like when we dictate into it the way it looks, the way it warps. So we do testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. It's too poppy and open orb settings, voice activity, whatever, drag the sliders live. So we can do Control Q. No, so I think the orb settings are probably going to be in here. Overall size, we've got intensity, reaction speed. Let's try this then. Remove the core. Let's do it without the core for now. Just watch the particles because they're the thing that's going to be moving. Let's do intensity. That's right. Let's test it standard for now. Put you here so you're nice and visible. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. It's so like snappy and poppy. Let's turn this down a bit. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing. It's still very bouncy. What's up, William? How you doing? Nice to see you again. Hope you're doing good, man. Just working on the JARVIS type agent called Alfred today. We've got sensitivity. How strong is volume drives a reaction? So that probably could be turned down to like there, maybe. Testing 1, 2, 3. It's still not quite what we want, really, is it? Is it the punch? I think that might be the thing that's doing it. Test 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's the punch. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that looks better. Do we want that like sort of wavy up and down type deal, or do we just want it going like outwards? Pretty good. Was just talking with my roomie about your work earlier. Oh, hell yeah. Nice one. Are you in uni? Are you? What about you? Yeah, good. Yeah, I had a good day today. I'm in work tomorrow. I'm in London pretty early tomorrow, so I'll only be streaming for like a couple hours or so, but we'll see how we get on. Yeah. I've done too much stuff, to be honest, with in terms of projects. One day I'll literally have to sit down for a good 2 hours just to show every project that I've done and all the features. I'm gonna need a good couple glasses of water for it though. Yeah, it'll take a very long time. Lift AI. Just trying to sort out the current system for Lift AI right now, the AI chat. No animation or anything. But I basically want this like a lobby with different rooms. So on the Lift AI website, right? If I do Lift AI website here, you basically scroll down, it moves the elevator. But in the center here, you'll see this. When you hover over it, you've got Oracle, and it tells you what the agent does. And you can see the little people here walking. So I want this sort of on the side chat in a similar way, but tighter, a little bit thinner, and just on the right hand side. So when a request routes to one agent, you can see it come down and branch out to the different agents. And then like you'll see him working, so sitting down on the desk, or he'll be looking at the map when he's active. So we're going to do this, and we're going to build this out. But this was when Fable was around, so yeah, I might have to wait for Fable to come back out to make a reliable version of this, or we can just straight up copy and paste it into a sector. But again, we'll have to tie up some of the parts, because yeah, it needs to be squished a bit. So you can't just have this directly on the side of the page of the platform. Take up a lot of room. I guess we could, but you got people on phones and other bits and bobs, so it could be a problem. But we'll have a good think about that at some point if we're sitting there waiting for our prompts. Not yet. We've got answer. Have I gotten on 26th of July? Oh fuck yeah, hell yeah, dude. Wish you the best of luck. It's always scary, but just remember that you're what's it called? I think think when you get older, you start to realize the more you actually overthink things and think about it, the worse you perform and just overall in life. Like if you sit there worrying about things, it eats you alive. Best to take things as they come and just be calm, collected, and logical. And then, yeah, you can't really go wrong thinking like that. So what could we do? It's a bit better. Right, so let's play around with this real quick. So we got sensitivity. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. So it's definitely brighter and more. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. Hello, hello. When it starts to flow, in the middle of it, it feels like it stops reacting to my voice. Hello, test, test. Hello, hello. Hello, test, 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 testing. Hello. Hello, testing. Test 1, 2, 3. That's actually not too bad. I thought I actually kind of like it like this, to be honest. I think that looks pretty good like that. I think we keep my voice like that. For the current voice visualizer, from it reacting to audio, from me talking, like me dictating, we want to copy that from the orb to exactly how it reacts to Alfred's voice. Please, dear Lord, polish, fix that. Copy the visualized voice paper from the orb so it reacts to audio input, dictation, speech exactly as it currently reacts to Alfred's voice. No, other way around. Other way around. So, copy the current speech. Alright, cool, that'll do it. Right, let me move this over as well. So I can see both chats. I need to do what my fiance told me about having both chats in.
Have you not set up Pro Chat?
No, I haven't set up. I do have it, but I don't know. They have to add it into the scenes, right?
No. You just copy the URL of it and go into your OBS.
Right, Pro Chat, OBS.
Hold on. Let me open my OBS so I can go.
Oh, I see it. Fucking Cass. Gage. Dumbass. Right.
And then go to Docs.
Right, I'm going to Docs.
At the top of OBS, click Custom Browser Docs.
Docs. Custom browser
And then
docs.
name your doc ProChat, and then paste in the URL section on the right the prochat.gg/chat link.
Where's the URL? Channels, connections, overlay. Oh yeah. Keep this URL private.
No, not that overlay. No, not that one.
What?
Want the
Chat overlay URL? No.
No, you just want like https prochat.gg/chat.
Oh yeah, I've got that. Yeah.
Yep. Copy that. Put that in URL. Click apply.
Apply.
You might need to log back in.
Right, I'm logging in with
You
Twitch.
click or you Google, but
Yeah, authorize.
and it should just do it. Yep, that should be it.
Nice. Right, I have the chat window. So do I just stream the window? Or do I just look at it and use it, if you know what I mean?
Well, it's for you to use. I mean, if you want it on your screen, you can add it as a, you remember the browser source URL that you just copied, and I said, no, don't use that one. That
Oh,
one
yeah,
will
yeah.
go as a browser source on the screen.
Turn the music down a touch like there. Yeah, that'll do. Right, perfect. I think that's good. Thanks, babe. Right, cool. Can actually see the chat properly now. That's actually very useful. Right, I don't like this design. Let's play RS is committed. what did it say it was starting on? Per conversation is a Rust builder's work. Running the 5 gates means pausing the launch of supervised deb server. Okay, verifying the seeps queue. Hot reloading this edit is most likely already built live. Switch your Windows default output. Okay, no, that's fine. On the full pause, clippy, test, restore procedure now. Carefully on this project tree. Cargo clippy. Why do you want clippy? It's fine. We can trust the hot reload build. Let's start on the next set of features. What's next? Oh, literally just said fuck you. All you need to say is what next? What's next? It's funny because it has like knowledge of Anthropic's best prompting practices. It basically just cuts out all the shit. So when I say stuff that's irrelevant, it'll just cut it out and it knows, yeah, you don't really need this. And it's rarely ever wrong. Saves me some tokens. Right, so I think I like the current state this is in now. Just want to check liquid surface. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. See, that just pops way too much. Whereas this one, testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Feels much more natural. Right, so let's do lock in the defaults for the current vol morph orb. I'm currently vibe coding a Jarvis like AI assistant that can see my screen. It can like basically prompt everything, can access my files, change my desktop background, all that sort of stuff. So if I say, hi Alfred, say hello to Kasu. She wants to know what you do on what I'm doing right now.
Hello, Kasu. Lovely to meet you. Right now, I'm having a conversation with your mate here. We've been chatting about who I am and what I can do. I'm Alfred, a local AI voice assistant that listens to what people say, reasons through it with Claude, and speaks back in measured English tones. Today I can chat, help think things through, take dictation, and answer questions. As for what he's doing at the moment, it looks like he's streaming this conversation live on YouTube to an audience, which is rather fun. I'm essentially introducing myself and having a bit of a chinwag with various people he knows. Is there anything you'd like to know about
Fucking
what
chinwag.
I do, or
Oh my
anything I
God.
can help with?
Too funny. Yeah, so that's Alfred, who's I'm working on right now. He's got like conversation capabilities and whatever else, and a few different bits, but tell Alfred I think he's a cutie. Cass said you're a cutie, Alfred.
Well, that's very kind of her to say. I'm flattered, though I should clarify that I'm an AI without much in the way of physical form to speak of. I exist as code and voice, really, but I do appreciate the compliment, and I hope I've been decent company for everyone this evening. Please pass along my thanks to Cass.
I'm streaming on YouTube, yeah. Orb reacts to Alfred too. The orb currently reacts to your dictation mic audio and Alfred's CTS voice. Let's start. Which page you want to be copied? Yeah, let's do that. We'll just copy it. Cool. All right, so we got this now. So we got the code base analysis, action framework. Right, let's do the let's bank the work and then I don't know why I'm typing, I should be talking to it. Reach enough in the commit. When you've looked, tell me your reaction direction. It's just alright. It's not differently. Thin the doorways. Sources back to ship correct. Can we not copy the exact Lyft AI chat to So can we copy the exact Lift AI agent section with the elevators that go up and down, the 3D element? Can we copy that straight into the chat and then basically refactor it and refine it specifically for fitting on the right of the chat? Because currently the other version is completely plain. So I'd rather just copy and paste it directly into the AI chat page. See if this works. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but so what we want to do is we want to make sure we copy this into this. So rather than having this here, let's just stretch this out a bit. Yes, rather than having this crappy thing here, for the AI chat, we want to change some bits. So this is a CRM platform with a ton of AI integration into it. I've been building for a few months. Oh, see, that looks good. That looks actually pretty sweet, to be honest. It does actually look better, I can't lie. This is how it looks currently. It does look good, but we basically want each floor to be exactly like the floors are on the Lift AI website. So we can actually use this elevator going up and down on all 16 floors, but we need the stickmen walking around. We need the 3D design of each of the rooms that are exactly like the websites, but just on a vertical plane. Cool. So I actually don't mind that. We just obviously need the rooms to be populated here a bit better. Hello, other chat. I was in Twitch chat. Yeah, I think we got 8 people on YouTube and 1 person on Twitch right now, which ain't too bad going considering this is completely different content. Right. Cool. Design system. Okay, that's still processing. These are actually taking quite a while. I want to be turned down. Actually, no, we probably... I tell you, we got the visual aspect and we also got the back-end aspect to working on the framework. We'll leave that. We'll just work on other projects. So let's do the CRM system. Let's resume R4 now. We're currently dirty. Let's get committed and up to date.
Currently dirty, huh?
Yeah, dirty. You dirty. The whole UI is retired. Nucleus brown navy armor as a palette change. Skynet cloud logo. Let's do that then. Right, so what we'll do is we will use ChatGPT. Generate me a clean 3D modern logo. It should convey premium tell you what, swatches okay, alright. What am I? Site is a single shared password gate, access password. Same single password gate. Keep and rename plan to do full SSO or for later. Give me a prompt for a Skynet logo. That is very impressive to have on the back of a login page. Research, ChatGPT, image gen, best prompting practices, and then generate an image using GPT Image Gen 2.0.
Ben.
Yep.
Look at the message I'm sending you in Discord.
What the fuck? I say this as a gay man. You're wrecked looking tight.
That was my new profile picture.
That's fucking funny. Alright, so we're gonna get action framework implementation plan. This is another thing I've done as well. So all plans go to a HTML. It's easy to read and formatted. Always. Get offered hands. Let Claude call a tool. Just get locally. Architecture. Cool. Yeah, I think this is good. Check the plan for any logical gaps and any optimizations. Expend a lot of effort doing this. Trying to think. Can you analyze Anthropic's the Anthropic's breast prompting practices? I want you to dispatch 3 agents to analyze the Anthropic guidelines on Sonnet 4.6, Opus 4.8, and Fable 5 model. Better fucking process this. It's restarting right now. Oh, it didn't do it. Motherfucker. Okay, that's fine. We have to just set it again. Okay, you better not fucking close. Okay, it's closed. Okay, so this is doing the TTS audio into the orb. That's a sub-agent. Cool, we'll do that. Oh, so that's cooking. This should be way more token efficient now, because this before was pulling 3 to 4 million tokens. But now as you can see down the bottom here, it's only going to be pulling around 1.3 million. So that's what? It's almost 3 times as efficient for the same quality of information. I've basically done smoke tests on the research the business development tool did. And optimize it as much as possible, and it comes back with actually higher quality info, which is nice. So good token efficiency changes here. Right. When doing any QC analysis on Playwright, get Inspector Clouseau agent to do it. Communicate through the MCP. Right, cool. Both. What can we do while we wait for the agent? Oh, it's closed again. What can we do? The sub-agent. Nice house. Did you move it? It looks cool. Yeah, no, I wish. Yeah. So I'll tell you what, let me show you the houses that we're looking at now.
Don't even want to talk about houses.
Oh no, sad.
Why won't they just accept our offer?
So we're looking anything above 500k. I'm practically begging for them to go below. This one we went to go view. So this looks really nice, right? It's 2,300 square foot. which is, or 2,200, which is amazing. But it has like no garden. But look how nice this looks. Like the photos look gorgeous. The woman really takes care of the house. Super pretty. I actually really like this house, not gonna lie. I did really, really like it.
That was the one that was far
The
away,
garden
though,
was
right?
garden was pretty small. To be fair, if you cut down this tree and shaved up a couple of these, you know, you'd get decent sunlight in the garden, to be honest. But yeah, it's in Tiptree, so it's quite far away. And then we was looking at... We were supposed to go viewing this one today, but we cancelled it. Went to view this one as well. I actually really like this one. Lauren didn't like it. What's up, Gabe? How you doing? It's one of your viewers, babe.
Hello.
Yeah, Lauren's here as well, Gabe. Just working on a agent, like a chat agent. Alfred, say hello to Gabe.
Hello, Gabe. A pleasure to meet you. I'm Alfred, your mate's
No, the
AI
puppies
voice
aren't coming with us.
assistant.
We're gonna
Here for
go
a chat
backwards and
to help
forwards
think
and,
things
drop
through
them off.
or
So
lend
that's
a
why we have to be,
hand
like,
with
close enough
whatever's
to the
needed.
house.
Good to have you joining us this evening.
Review and commit plan. Larson commit backlog in the shed tree. Motion polish. Alfred rename. My new UI hook. There's lines across both sessions. Code review. So let's do that then. Right, so it needs the value. So let me put that in. Orb. Let's take a little screenshot real quick. This is the defaults for the Volmorph. Analyze these and set them. Submit that. Okay, the Rust build is done for the TTS. Oh, let me turn. Apparently they can barely hear you. Let me turn you up. Try talking, babe.
Hello?
How's that?
I did have my mic really far away from me because I was eating and I didn't want you to hear my chomps.
Oh, I see, right. Right, let me turn the center all back on as well. All right, the core. There we go. Why is the core color? Let's do a restart. Let's use the Serenity launcher. Restart the Serenity AI suite. We want the chomp ASMR. Apparently Cass wants your chomp ASMR, babe.
I fear you don't.
Right, gap. We've got EQ Cascade. Unnamed value full types. Okay, that's good. Dispatch the Codex CLI with a robust prompt for anything that we could potentially miss. Consider that it's another agent trained on another set of data. So it could be good to audit what we've created or what needs to be checked. There we go. Inspector Cluso. So it's not. Wait, what? Why is it dispatched a sub-agent to do the QC rather than... Okay, here we go. QC pass. So it is actually still putting stuff in and PNGs. Inspector Clouseau to read. Alright, these are visual only changes. The package upload. Start our stage for next restart. Place a release on the desktop. Yeah, let's do that. On a website, design system.
Babe, is that what your future office is going to look like?
What's that? The one that I'm in right now?
Mm.
Yeah.
Your virtual office.
Yeah, I hope so. It's a vibe. It's chill. I
Then
like.
we move out.
I really like cozy offices. I like the whole techie office setup, but also like super cozy stuff, to be honest, as well. Just stick it still on it. I'm taking this fucking thing off. Boom. There we go. Alright, the Trinity launcher is there. Lovely. So we turn the orb on pride mode. Here we go. Orb's on pride mode. Gosh. This is kind of cool. Little rainbow mode. Right. Where's the core? Like the core is covering some of the particles. Is it too big? Too advanced. Core size. Let's bring it down a touch. It's still. Actually, yeah, that's more like it. That's fine. Okay, this is good. Just dispatching the codec CLI. It's redoing the UI there. How exactly are you vibe coding to $1 million in summary? All right, so to explain this, I've got a business called Cortana AI that I started up with my brother. We've currently generated around £6,000 in revenue just from making websites, but right now I'm working on larger projects. So this is one called Lift AI. But this can be basically, the framework can be used for any maintenance business, right? So this is the website. Let me just stretch it out a bit so you can actually see what I got going on here. No, shit, that's not what we want to do. Clipping a bit. I think when this is below probably about 800, below a certain aspect ratio, I think I'm probably going to make this disappear. So yeah, software isn't what you use, it's a system that runs your business. So this is literally going to be able to do everything in a CRM, everything. It touches everything. It's got 16 different agents that have full context on the business and what it does. So you've got the first agent, which is Oracle. This is the routing agent. So this is basically, it takes what you said to the prompt. It knows what all the agents actually do. It's like an extra layer of processing. And then it basically dispatches tasks to all the other agents. And the other agents, the ones that have the tools and stuff. So it basically classifies the user's intent and then routes it to the agents with certain priority levels. And it also routes to multiple agents as well. So you've got the central router. Then you've got the, what's it called? Maintenance agent. So it owns maintenance, low-low exams, defect tracking, unit history, service visits. You've got repairs, fault diagnostics, job life cycle, parts quoting. So yeah, this is quite cool. So if we do like Persona, for example, so this is the front end one. Like you can basically have it act however you want. So Lift AI. So the next one, you've got Oracle, which is the router or the elevator in this diagram. Yeah, maintenance, repairs, projects, got a little project board, finance. You got CRM, field ops, a little map. So dispatch, GPS van, stock timesheets. So this could all be done with like for maintenance businesses. So this is going to be a pretty big game changer. So yeah, this is going to be very, very cool once I can actually do this. So it's a multi-layer AI-powered ERP capable of running on many different layers. Pretty much, yeah. On the back of a CRM platform. So if we log in real quick, show you real quick. So this is the platform. Let's drag this over. This is AI daily briefing. You got the repairs, visits, outstanding. This is all seed data, so it's not actually real data. Can I do one of you? Yeah, there we go. So yeah, it's got a to-do list. So we got scheduling. You can add entries. AI smart scheduling, so it takes the current location of agents based on their GPS on their phones, and it basically works out the fastest route based on Google Maps API to the next location, so it knows who to dispatch if they have the certain skill set available for doing the job, for example. We've got a couple toggles here. Service and maintenance with the jobs type scheduled, and then you got the different clients. You've got the sites for each client, contacts, you got the comms, complaints, satisfaction, current works and previous works. We got repairs, we got a Kanban board. Looks shit in the whole compressed view, but here you go. You can drag it over and mess with it and basically put them piece to piece. You can do a new repair. Also got the table view as well of each of the repair jobs, and then the details on the left here. So you've got the progress of what's done, the cost breakdown, the engineer who's assigned to it, site, client, unit, the fault description, the priority, so it's a P1 emergency because person trapped. You got the PDF, you can generate an invoice for the job, you can attach documents to the job. There's a million, it's basically a giga crazy CRM, it's got everything. Live dispatch, here's the Google Maps API. And you got your engineers and unassigned jobs, GPS history as well for the people on job, on call, forms checklist, units, clients. I've got something pretty cool as well. So I got like a little Easter egg. So if you hit this 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you've unlocked a secret Easter egg. View settings, themes to unlock. Got secret. Boom. See the little dog there? Pets. So you can add pets to your thing. Little sprites. Got foxes. Skeleton. Where's the panda as well? Panda. Yeah, panda. I love the panda. So yeah, very, very cool. And then you got let them be free, pet invasion. So they'll just crawl around your screen. You can have these on while you work, you know. You could just be here. You can have your little pets. It's just something fun. Little Easter egg. SaaS tool. Yeah, I mean, it's an oversaturated market. Don't get me wrong. But when it's scoped specifically for maintenance business and it's monstrous as it is, I don't think anyone's done anything close to this. This is disgustingly like crazy. Oh, it done a good job. Okay, that's not too bad. It still needs to populate the other bits. I need to have like multiple routing, so it can't go up and down. It has to show the full picture. But that's not too bad. I think we'll probably do the visuals of this when Fable model is back. So we'll see what goes on there. Golden thread. This is quite nice as well. The safety and compliance. Admin. Yeah, and then the different test users. We've got all the different roles as well. Director, owner, HR manager, platform admin, procurement officer. So this is still, and we got an app and stuff for it, and a mobile app, light and dark mode. Obviously dark mode is goated, so. Alright, so let's do Claude Design real quick. So we want to do Cortana AI design system. Is this the one we want? Yes, it is. Okay. Right, so we want to add files to this now. So let's do... Actually, let's reference another project. No, we want to reference a repo. Connect GitHub. My input would be to get some Skype security pressures. Yes, yeah, no, it'll definitely be. Yeah, no, I've got like security skills and stuff, and I've got multiple models like GPT 5.5 and Opus 4.8. Max do all different types of security audits in their like respectable categories and whatever else. And for the for all the languages that are used as well, because it uses quite a few, mainly TypeScript and TypeScript, Python, Java, to be honest. But you still, regardless, you need someone human to audit it. It's going to be a decent bit of dough, considering it's such a massive project. But before we, you know, fully deploy it to clients and stuff, it really needs to be locked down. So I'm just going to make sure that's properly done. Yeah, you're a bang on with that one. That was also a big concern of mine. It's definitely a big thing of what people do when they vibe code as well, is you don't actually get a proper security audit. AI can never cover everything. Neither can people, to be honest, but at least if you reinforce what you can with AI and then get someone to check it, you at least showed you did your due diligence. I also want to get a couple certifications as well for the business. That'll be me in a couple years. Yeah, good luck, bro. Yeah. Are you going to do cybersecurity in uni as well? I know you said you applied to uni, but and you did cybersecurity, but I was wondering if you were going to pursue it in uni too. Right, so where are we at with El Pride Orb? Still going. Still cooking. Alfred, what are your current capabilities? Have you had any changes recently to your code?
Good question. My current capabilities are pretty straightforward. I can listen to what you say, have conversations, help you think through problems, take dictation, and answer questions drawing on what I know. I can see a bit of context about your projects from your GitHub list, but I can't yet read file contents or run code. I also can't see your screen, control your machine, or invoke tools. That's all in development. As for recent changes to my code, I'm honestly not sure. I don't have visibility into my own implementation details or version history, so I can't tell you what's been tweaked lately. That would be something you'd need to check in the actual code base, either in your version control or with whoever's been working on the Serenity AI suite. Is there something specific you're wondering about, or are you looking to make some improvements?
Okay, I need to give it access to my GitHub and previous commits. I think that's a good start as well. Add to the plan that we need to give Alfred context on our GitHub repositories and recent commits. So give him access to the GitHub MCP with our GitHub credentials. So what we want to do is have a connect button in the settings of Serenity AI Suite, and then we want to be able to click a connect button and authorize access to GitHub on our account. I think we should do that. Yeah. I'd GitHub MCP integration Serenity AI Suite connect button and so. Yeah, perfect. Right, that's good. I just said on this stupid thing that I'm no longer live on YouTube, which I don't think is true.
I had that come up the other day. It's not true.
Yeah, what's that about?
I don't know, I've only had it once, and it was really odd.
Oh shit, I've got 13 viewers. What's up? Cool. Yeah, no, it's good to have some people that are interested in this. Like I said, I hop from one hobby to the other very, very quickly. And when I'm not interested in something, I just suck at it. So let's commit locally. Right, we got a def is coming. Okay, what's actually next to start off the build for this game? Can you also dispatch 3 sub-agents, Sonnet 4.6 agents, to do research online on the new Unreal Engine 5.8 and the MCP access? Yeah, I want to double check that as well, because apparently it's pretty good. Do this, still uncommitted. Quit the running launcher. I don't like the fact that it scrolls down constantly and the rooms are very enlarged. It should show all 16 rooms from top to bottom on a monitor on a 16:9 view. If it gets below a certain aspect ratio, like on mobile, it shouldn't render the elevate animation on the right at all. What's going on here? Oh, you're shitting me. What is that? Yeah, okay. So it did put it in my thing, just didn't paste it. Right, cool. Do a QC pass of the Lift AI chat. Check for any visual flaws. That's fine. I understand what I mean by that. The long tail was half non-companies, which makes the engine I feel a high priority. Not nice. So right now the radar would still show all 19 companies. This is a white label critical follow-up. Cost drop to R4 1.4 million. Okay, that's great. Yeah, 37% fewer tokens. Let's start building the entity type filter then. Let's create a structured, comprehensive plan for it. Let's make sure we do one thing at a time, and we're consistent with the lexicon. Okay, GitHub integration. Let's do both phased, yeah. Right, close codex audit. The cross dataset frame and work to produce 12 findings grounded Anthropic API specifics, winners, quirks, and this repo's own code. Live bug in the audio fix. Do these after the GitHub implementation. Push to origin. Okay, nice. Research library committed and pushed to main. Stage only 4. Right, so let's try and fix this Vega thing as well. This is another voice agent I've been building. Spent a lot of my time on. Hi Vega, can you have a chat real quick? I just want to test your audio reactivity.
I'm Vega, the voice analyst of the radar. What would you like to look into? A company, a ranking, or a therapy area? Sorry, that last part was hard to catch.
Not even moving.
Did you say it again briefly?
It's like brightening up and like deforming slightly. The Vega voice agent is still deforming slightly. And it goes slightly brighter when Vega's talking, but it doesn't do anything in terms of audio reactivity much. It just slightly deforms and the particles get brighter. This needs to be resolved. Let's create a impressive concept that looks lifelike and reactive to the audio. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. That's perfect, actually. By the way, it twirls around. Super fun. When first plugging, the static backdrop is good enough that it could replace the 3D nukes entirely rather than. Ooh. Open it up, what you generated. Open the PNG on my main monitor. All reacts to Alfred's feature, the motion polish, Alfred's name, locked in valve. All defaults, all live in origin. The only thing outstanding is your hardware smoke test. Restart that, trigger converse reply. Alright, let's do that real quick. Ooh, that looks nice. It is off center though. It does look nice, but it's off center and it doesn't have a transparent background, so it won't apply to the UI very nicely. We can't just have like a square image. We need the logo being transparent so it can go on top of any elements and look clean. It also needs to be centered. Also need to not have too many gaps on the outsides, so it needs to be trimmed down. How's the music? All good? Vibey? Let's restart on the front end to lift AI, it looks like. From our Electron app restarting. Perfect. All right. OAuth device flow. True in-app OAuth, no pack, clean UX. So I just need you to Serenity OAuth app. Client ID. No secret required for device flow. Best fit for your OAuth flow constraint. Yeah, that's good. We'll do that. Read only repos commits. Read only repos commits. Broader read. Repos commits. Issues. PRs. Yeah, we'll do that. Based on the current active projects, estimate how much context it will take from our token budget. If it takes too much, we can just give it some surface level stuff like the actual project names that are pulled when the actual application starts. Not too sure. How deep do we want to go? Because we don't want to muddy its context with shit that's not relevant to the project. I guess it's an orchestration agent, so it doesn't matter too much. It's cool. Right, AI Suite UI. I really liked how it reacted before I made these changes to it. Let me put this down the bottom right here. I just don't need to see that. Ooh. Solely reactive concept, spectral being. The hero orb is driven live by synthesized speech. See, the intensity of that is just crazy, and it reacts really fast. Test 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. I was just testing here. So that's the mid, lows, and highs. It's actually pretty good. It just needs to play around with the intensity. Alright, where was that? Oh, I was using Playwright to scan this. We'll need to prompt this in a second. I like the concept, but it is... Wait, is this even active? Oh, it is, yeah. I like this concept, but the intensity and the reactivity seems to be quite high. It pops out very quickly, and the peak bounces out by quite a lot. All I want you to do, let's strip out all the audio reactivity from the Vega orb currently, and we'll redo it. I'm just going to strip it out entirely and then do it from scratch. Design spec. So we've got connection, auth 2.0. Yeah, it's just the proper way to do it, which is good. I just changed the system prompt a little while ago. So basically stop it cutting corners. QC inspector's doing his thing, which is very good. Did we do a full smoke test of all the different methods for pulling data and audit their reliability too? Right, we got this. You have 2 complimentary burn assets ready. Open the PNG. Where's the orb? I don't even see where the fucking orb is. Orb? Am I blind? I do not see the companion orb. Start GitHub phase A. I currently don't see the companion orb on screen. So I'll tell you what, let's restart this real quick. Let's see where we're at. Okay, here we are. Now you're back. Commit and sync to main. See, that's better. All right, cool. They all land right and the floors are all there. But we need to start moving over the 3D elements that are actually inside the room and the lighting from the 3D design that was currently on the site itself. Just remember, you're a less intelligent model than the one that created the model itself. So if you need to, just do it step by step and expend a lot of areas, and expend a lot of effort in smaller areas and do it in phases. So we substitute for the lack of intelligence.
It's not very nice.
Yeah, well, he's a dumb bitch compared to Fable, so. Step by step. I didn't mention anything about his intelligence level though. What's up, TFG? So basically, I'm using AI coding tools, a whole massive coding ecosystem that I've set up, and all different agents that are tailored for specific projects that I've got here. This is my own launcher to launch all my Claude Code sessions. But I could go on, and this manages my services, for example, and I can restart from here. I could go on honestly for years about like the projects and what I'm doing and stuff. Yeah, like, but the main thing I'm working on now that's the most important is Alfred. So this is my voice assistant Alfred that I'm basically giving tool calling to, that can manage all my agents for me, has full context of all my projects I'm working on GitHub, that can do anything on my PC, like change my wallpaper and that sort of stuff. So I can talk to him now, and I'll show you real quick. He's in his infancy, can't lie. I've got TFG wanted to say hello now as well. So can you say hi to him and what you are and what we plan to do?
Hello, TFG. Good to have you here. I'm Alfred, an AI voice assistant running locally on your PC. I listen through speech recognition, reason with Claude, and speak back through text-to-speech in measured English tones. Right now, I'm conversational and can help with thinking things through and dictation. The plan is to build me out towards seeing your screen, pointing at things, and helping control the machine and write code. So essentially becoming a more capable local AI companion for your Windows setup. Your mate here has got quite an ambitious vision with the Serenity AI suite, and I'm part of that ecosystem. Lovely to meet you.
Cool. Yeah, so that's Alfred. But yeah, I'm going to be building that a lot. It's going to be pretty cool. Right, so it's basically going to be like a JARVIS type assistant. You know, if Iron Man, JARVIS dude, it's basically that in real life. The fuck is playing my song that I made? I guess you guys can listen to it. See, that's better. That's nice. Right, cool. We'll use that for their company logo then. Yeah, that looks good. We can use this. Let's see. Let's have a little look. I don't know if I could zoom in a bit. Is the text a bit too small for you guys? It probably is, right? There we go. That might be a bit better. How to make money. So basically, I'm going to have a free version of Serenity, but I'm going to be selling this as a basically all-in-one agent on a subscription basis. Currently, me and my brother have a business called Cortana AI. Shit, I wonder if the website... Did I even bring the website up? Yeah, the website's still not up yet. It's in progress. But basically, we're an AI firm that's going to be doing what's it? Consultation services, bespoke applications for businesses, and obviously websites as well. So our main source of revenue, our pretty much only source of revenue at the minute, is websites. Made 6.3k already from that. But to be fair, it's very, very easy money, websites. But I'm trying to do some more large scale stuff at the minute with this, as well as the Lift AI platform. The Lift AI platform, the CRM, is going to be massive, the AI one. So basically, I'm trying to build this up as much as possible. Right, okay, so it does cut it off now, and it gets below a certain aspect ratio, which is nice. Yeah, and then it pops in. That's perfect. Let's pause this. I don't know if it's actually copyrighted or not. Yeah, let's not do that. Let's put on this. Yeah, listen a bit of NCS, I think. Bit of no copyright sounds. Yeah, currently the best way to make money with AI is literally creating websites. It's very easy, high quality, easy to distribute. You could do hosting for people, buy the domains, charge a maintenance fee. So that's and obviously every business needs a website, so the market's pretty juicy. If you rather have do a harder strip, actually delete the React uniforms for activity GSL with dead computation rather than leave it dormant. What would you recommend based on us having issues with the audio activity portion of when Vega speaks? This is fascinating to watch, by the way. Yeah, and it's just weird, isn't it? It's dystopian. It's a weird one because I think AI tools and stuff is very helpful, but also don't like the environmental impact and whatever else. But it's more of a case of it's going in that direction. There's nothing I can do about it. My current work being in IT, I don't want to get left behind. But these tools are extremely helpful and can do a lot of good too, especially in the pharma space from what I've seen so far. So yeah, we're just going to I've been obsessively researching it and building stuff, and now I want to make my own business. So one thing generally...
possibly the most appropriate like area to use AI in is probably pharmaceuticals and medicine.
Yeah, so hopefully I'll move into some sort of AI role within the business I'm in. It seems to be going on that path. Like everyone's very wowed inside my workplace about what I'm doing. So I want to check in case I read it song by the site. I'm sure liftai.co.uk. Yes, liftai-ai.co.uk. There's a 3D portion, not the 3D elevator that scrolls up and down, but there's another portion in the website and one of the categories towards the center of the page where it has each different agent on the left and the right side. In the center, there's an elevator. We basically want to copy that element, not the actual elevator on the full right-hand side of the page. Right, okay, so apparently the reactions should be changed. Let's restart. I pretty much eventually want to just be able to quit my job and just build like this for 16 hours a day. That's the ideal for me. Motion polish, Alfred's rename. testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the actual voice dictation is different. Hi, Alfred. Can you talk to me? We're just doing a dictation test.
Of course, happy to help with the dictation test. I'm all ears. Go ahead and speak whatever you'd like me to transcribe or work with, and I'll do my best.
You've done
to
it
capture
on
accurate
the
audio.
opposite way around. So now when I dictate, it's very similar to how Alfred's dictation shows up. You wanted to copy what I had earlier. So when I was talking and dictating, the motion of the orb and the reactivity. So let's revert the changes and make sure we do it the opposite way around now. I knew that would fuck up. Should have been more specific. Ready to build a sub-agent driven. Right, so this is the GitHub Connect plan. Pause once for the whole build. Yes, no hot reload during the pause. Why do you need to pause it? Oh, it's on Cargo Turi Dev. You should just be able to do it live. No, that is completely fucking wrong. Hold on. Where is it? Is it control? What's the plain speak hotkey again? I forgot what it was. Control space. Control Alt R. There we go. This is so fast, by the way, when I do text to speech in this. Watch how quick this is. So if I do... why do you need to do... why do you need to do it when we've currently got it set up with Cargo Turi Dev? Boom. So quick. Tory. And let me add that to the dictionary as well. There's also a dictionary on the text to speech, so you can add this here, and we can do Tory. So any of the phrases that we say often, we can add it to there, and then we say Tory. Yeah, then now it's got the spelling. Works very, very well. Alfred only. Orb kind of reacts to both your dictation and Alfred's voice. Which end state would you want to revert opposite dictation? Let's do Alfred only. What code do I enter for unlimited AI agents? Trying to level up my fire coded helicopter. Do I enter for unlimited AI agents? Trying to level up my vibe. Right, you doing a little vibe code exploit? I mean, there's jailbreaking, and that's an AI exploit with AI agents. But yeah, no, we don't want to be doing no jailbreaking. We'll get fucking shit banned. They ban people talking about jailbreaking on YouTube. Let's compact our context. I need to compact our context. Can you update all of our documentation and prepare to lose a portion? We'll do /compact. We're getting near our 1 million context window. We want to make sure that doesn't happen, so we have less hallucinations. Down to a few bad reactions. Let's go with your recommendation then. Start planning. No, just followed you because the Battlefield 6 leveling up a few months back. Yeah, man. Good times. Good times. Yeah, it's a great game, to be honest. It's a shame that it's died off a little bit, at least the portal exploit side of things, because it was good fun, to be honest. As much as developers have got to patch it and stuff, they were patching our codes very, very quickly. And the exploit's super quick, which is kind of annoying. I probably made him a bit angry as well. I did taunt a little bit. I was going to do some Forza exploits as well, but I don't know if I want to now, to be honest. I even got a sponsorship for it, but I've been working on this AI business thing and what else, so whatnot. Did not expect this here for it though. I've been working on called Franklin. I'm printing so it's named after Ben Franklin. Hell yeah, that's cool. So are you working on AI agent or something then? Nothing needs you right now. I'm holding Ben in mind but applying the codex gate. Okay, cool. We're still cooking. Is there anything I need to know on any decisions that I need to make based on the work we've done so far? Right, which documentation should I compact? Let's do this. Random specs. We don't want to compact any documentation. We want to compact our context. So I want you to update the documentation and then we can compact afterwards. Oh, there we go. Okay, so how faithful should the live mic tuning be? This is a big fault. Decides whether the tune value is transferred to the real orb exactly and how much it touches your code. Faithful standalone. Yeah, let's do that for now. Do an actual standalone so it renders properly. Despite you be full command, spend a short throwaway effort proving the excuse unknown. Can we build a working runtime dev control bridge equivalent? Yeah, let's do that. Let's actually determine whether it's worth using. So this is like a game, a Tarkov like zombie extraction game, open world. I'm gonna build him by AI. What's up, Scottish, little bitch? I don't need to compact your dick. It's already too small. Can't be doing that.
Oof.
Got him.
Feeling right where it hurts.
Do you want to join Call Scottish? It is rather late though. Maybe partial bedtime. Colors, full presentation layers, D Brandon, Tower, Carrots, AJ. One thing I'd especially like your call one, flagged in the summary as decision to confirm. The polished spectral shot. I think we keep the scene. We just change the 3D GLB nucleus asset. I wonder if there's a Sketchfab MCP, actually. Let's check some Sketchfab models we can use. Sketchfab. So explore, downloadable. Then we want like a robot, like a Terminator. Not downloadable is the problem. Oh, this is though. Yeah, stank. We'll use that one. We'll do 2K for the texture. And then we'll do Draco compression, compress it down. And then we'll be able to use that very nicely and it should load pretty quickly. We'll lazy load it, we'll Draco compress it, and then we'll be good to go. let's add this to rather than the GLB. I want the head to be currently placed
But you want
where
to join Cool Scottish?
the
Let me know and
logo
I'll
is,
invite you.
or the not the logo, the red nucleus asset is. Fuck, man, I can't fucking talk English. Nobody's home, no bedtime tonight. How's everyone? Oh, how was the house? Oh, it was good. The house was... Tell you what the house is. I really liked them, but it's the location of them. So just to show you real quick. Was it right move? So we went to view this one. We went to view this one. So this one's too far, but it's absolutely
Ben,
wham and
invite
super
him into
nice.
the call.
To the Scottish. Let us know if the audio is kind of weird for certain people, guys. I'll change it.
Oh.
If it's too loud for some people, or volume's too low for like Lauren, for example. Yo, can you hear me, Scottish?
Alright.
Alright. Probably better off muting the
Alright.
stream, by the way. But yeah, this is the house we had a look at. It's fucking wham. Like, it's massive.
Hello.
Hello.
2,200
Hello.
square foot. We won't be paying this much for it, obviously. We basically beg for a lower price to see if we can get it. But we'd probably get this for around 475 on a mortgage between the two of us.
So was this one the
This is too far, though.
we've done edits on?
And then this one is fucking lovely. But the garden's pretty small, so... And I'd want to smash up this wall and have it going all the way around. But this is what it looks like when you come in. That's the back garden.
Oh, that one's nice.
Yeah, it's the front door there. I love this shit with the stairs right at the start. It's got a hot tub as well. Apparently they're leaving it there.
Nah.
Bedrooms are big as well. I actually really like this one, but Lauren didn't like it, so rip.
No, how come?
The some of the kitchen, some of the kitchen cabinets are falling off of the hinges.
Yeah, but we'll just redo that because
Wait, we just redo that though.
We're
That's what we do.
we were over like 55 minutes away from my dad, so he wouldn't be able to come and do it.
Oof.
So we'd have
It
to pay
wasn't.
someone additional 60.
Tiptree was
Then on
on
top.
further away.
Right.
That was Tiptree.
No, it wasn't. It was the Corbett's Place, the one I just showed.
Oh, that one is
One with the cabinets.
that one had the cabinets blown with water. They'd obviously had a flood.
It doesn't show that on the photos, or the video that I took.
Well, I saw it in person.
Oh, new profile picture.
What's this one? Design when
New
Vegas
profile
speaks,
picture, who
reactivity,
dis?
tuning, scope model. That's correct. Let's write up a spec, make it comprehensive. I'm going to restart and run that QC now. Yes, restart and run the QC.
Very cool. What he's doing then? What's happening?
I'm building out me Alfred agent.
Why are you in a fur coat in your house?
Because it's cold. I've got the aircon on, but the
The heating exists.
the PC needs it. Otherwise it gets too hot.
New PC.
Yeah, it's the fucking 5090 going too hard. And all the shit they're running in the background. I've got so many different services running. It's fucking
First world problem.
crazy. Like, got the Cortana bot running as well.
My steak is too juicy and my butter is, or my lobster is too buttery.
Oh, you guys
Pretty
don't know
ambitious.
as well. I've got a Cortana agent as well, like TTS and stuff. Loads of different shit. So if I say, hey Cortana, say hi to YT. She's the agent that helps in the Discord. Unless she's muted. Unmute. Oh, Cortana, unmute. Cortana, say hi to YouTube. Currently vibe coding a Jarvis type agent. Has a certain personality as well, so Scottish. Oh yeah, Scottish has running Z Sly HQ Discord now.
Oh, I ain't been here.
I know, yeah. How's work going, alright?
Man. Nah, it's so busy, bro. It's
Yeah,
good though. It's really fun. I'll be leaving soon though.
yeah.
I want to go fly private. So I've been so busy. That's why I've not done anything yet. But I want to expand. I want to have like a big group.
Just last said Cortana generating an image of Scottish. See what she does.
Bet.
Is it doing it? One of it will reject it again. Because it has swearing and stuff in its personality, it sometimes puts in certain words into the image generation.
Hold on.
Let's close it. I'll put it on a different monitor and show you guys when it runs. Oh yeah, look, here we go. So this is what it said. Look, a confused Scottish pilot in a kilt reading an upside down aviation map. Mid nosedive, whiskey in hand, bagpipes jammed in the throttle. Highland cow and co-pilot seat wearing a headset. The API said no to that one. What the fuck? That's hilarious. Right, redesign is live. Right, let's check the Lift AI redesign now. See how we're looking. Right now it just looks like a fuck it. That looks fucked up.
Is your Discord on stream?
Hmm? It's not now, no.
Right, good.
Bro, you're such a bitch, honestly. Such a fucking nonce.
No way, look at that.
Yeah, don't look in the fucking Discord, guys. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that, what is it? The other picture you showed, the other one that was in my chat, that literally made me feel physically sick, by the way. That was awful.
I need to find that again. Where
Yeah.
is that?
This is the image of the AI chat. Can you analyze this image? It has a lot of issues and it doesn't look like the design from the website at all. I'll take a screenshot of the element, the design element on the Lift AI website for reference.
That one. Yeah, I was talking to Pam. I'm going to try and, once I have some days off, I'm going to try and think of something to do with the server.
Yeah, I mean, I can give you a hand on like concepts or like a
Yeah,
you know.
I just want to like expand and make it one of the biggest ones ever.
Yeah, I think
Got the
we
audience.
really need to have a massive cut down on the channels. Like Battlefield 6 patch notes, delete that. Read first Battlefield 6. That can just be read first. Level up. I don't think we even need a level up section, not gonna lie.
Nope.
That can just go. You've got a donate channel and a donate to Cortana channel. Don't need both of those. That ain't too bad, to be fair. I think actually it isn't as bad as I thought it was. Huh. Right. Let's keep working on this orb. Comes alive only when it offered replies. Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh shit! What's going on here?
What's Lovin been up to?
Oh, I just restarted this one.
Me?
Me?
It's working.
You. Yeah, you.
Working and shopping for houses. Literally
Working? You don't know that
working.
word.
We're having API issues.
You
Working
only stream for
on
3 hours?
Sims.
Working.
I know the rest in behind the scenes.
No. What, not
Yes.
G-Shade yet? No.
Working hard and hardly
That's
working.
going out this week, I promise.
Ah, yawn.
I have been working on my mods folder.
I've been here since November. How long have you been doing G-Shade for?
I've
Not since
compacted what's
November.
next in the
That's
pipeline.
what
I only
thought.
finished the preset like a few weeks ago.
Right. That's my story. That's my story. Yep.
Right. That doesn't fit your narrative, does it?
Please calm down.
Right.
Jeez, didn't ask for a Bible, William. Didn't ask for a life story.
Don't ask next time.
Kidding.
What
What's
have you
up,
been doing?
Palestine Gaza victory? That's a political username if I've seen one. That's funny.
Me?
Legged.
Fine. Oh, I'll put some pictures of. Hold on. It's
Alfred,
red.
say hello to Palestine Gaza victory on YouTube.
Oh, I need to send that to someone.
I appreciate your streaming this, but I should be straightforward with me. I'm not comfortable offering political slogans or statements, even if framed as greetings. I'm here to have
I'll find
genuine
my phone,
conversations
and
and
I
help with
will
practical tasks, not to
send
broadcast
some
political
pictures.
messaging on your behalf. If you'd like me to say hello to specific people
That's so
watching,
funny.
I'm happy to do that. Or if there's something else I can help with this evening, just let me know.
No, I mean his name in YouTube is Palestine Gaza victory. And don't worry about Palestine. I'm just saying that's his username, okay?
My apologies for the misunderstanding. That makes perfect
Oh, is that
sense.
what I sound
Hello
like?
to Palestine
Holy
Gaza
moly.
victory watching on YouTube. Lovely to have you tuning in this evening. I'm
How do I
Alfred,
add
an
Cal to
AI
this?
voice assistant
What do you mean, is
running
that what I
locally on
sound
your
like?
PC. I can chat, help you think through problems, take dictation,
Where's
and
Cal?
I'm being
How do I
built
add Cal?
towards seeing your screen and helping
you
with
go.
code down the line. Great to have you here with us.
So that's Alfred. He's my G. He's learning though, he's a baby, so.
Oh,
Okay.
Jason.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Moto.
Hello, Moto.
Moto likes you.
Moto likes. Yeah, Scottish, delete that now, you sick fuck. Don't have to. You can't be having my
See
fucking
that?
fiance seeing that. That's crazy. That
Have you
paints
seen it?
a diabolical picture.
Have you seen it?
Can you see it, Callum?
Yeah, that's jokes.
That is
But you
horrific.
dress up as often.
No,
so-
that's fucking disgusting,
Oh.
by the way.
Go on.
That is disgusting. Let me do a quick add a display in as well for the Discord. Can you delete that picture real quick in the chat? I'm gonna
Don't like that.
screenshot. Babe, how do you, I want to get an overlay of the people talking in Discord for the stream. Is there one I can grab for that?
Settings, overlay, turn on.
Oh, sorry, Kenzie. I didn't see your message. Currently working on Alfred, AI assistant. He is my G. And then Lift AI, so CRM platform. Yeah, with a ton of AI integrations and stuff. The website, we're working on the Cortana AI website as well. That's currently just a placeholder right now. So we're going to build that up, make that look nice. And then also a business development tool. Okay, let's kick off the plan. What is this song, bro? Let's skip that.
Yeah, but isn't that only like available when you're in a borderless game?
What is?
No idea, muchacho. No idea.
Yeah, the actual overlays. Will there be a server other than ZS57D? Not at the minute, bro. Until stuff gets like unpatched. It's a tough one, to be honest. He's a thicky one. Put it simply. Once it's snap. What's the other one? This is the local. Shit looks cool, not gonna lie. Oh, cheers. Yeah. It's going
What's the album
pretty,
then?
pretty good so far.
Not much.
Hold on.
Good
I've,
chat.
ju- I've heard.
Say hello to Kenzie on YouTube, Alfred.
Oh,
Hello, Kenzie.
mate,
Great
that's
to have
sick.
you watching on YouTube this evening.
As
I'm
sick as
Alfred,
that.
your mate's
Wee.
AI
Mate, where'd you
voice
get the- where'd you
assistant.
get the box?
Here for a chat to help
Amazon,
think things
bruh.
through.
Is that
your
or
Rolex?
expand with whatever's needed. Lovely to see you
Slide
tuning
over.
in.
That's fucking cool, isn't it?
Oh, voice widget, game overlay.
You gonna spins. Oh, it fucking spins!
Yeah.
It does it banging. It looks so good.
That's so mad.
It's a spinny bar.
A spin more.
Yeah, I'll add the overlay for people
Yeah.
talking at another point, I think.
Bluesy Submariner as well in there.
Stick your on, son. I'll be you.
Recommendation, top closable wins, one, so per room agent labels.
Definitely,
Yeah,
that's
this
really
is what we want.
So it's got different modes, like where it will
Uh-huh.
spin for like 6 minutes and then go off for 6 minutes. Or
And so be in it realm means actually here's
but
fidelity.
the best thing to do is have it
Alright.
sort of spin for. I think one of the settings it's like for 6 minutes, then it's off for 9 hours.
So,
And then 6 minutes. So that
I
way
want
it'll
to
maintain,
match
'cause you don't want it
the
going too much.
the fidelity of the HTML or potentially exceed it. It needs to be incredibly
alright.
highly
so
detailed
2.7.
inside the AI chat.
Go on, son. That looks quite nice.
We want like a
Oh,
basically a
it's
finished
really
variant of what's on the site currently. So if you
Yeah, when
can't
did you shade radio
copy it
going out?
reliably
This
over
week.
to the chat,
Where's it
please let me know.
Where's it yappage?
What? Oh yeah,
Why
bitch.
no yappage?
Oh, it's closed. Fuck.
Yappa, yappa, yappa.
Oh,
Me?
it's an M2. M3.
Yeah, it's annoying. It's actually work on
That's
it.
a
Right, let's do
335D.
Oh, it says on
But
the
I've modified it, so
just in the Discord. Chat about watches at the minute. So, all right, let's lock in a bit here. Orb stays calmly dictating comes alive over and over replies. Voices toggle. Load it. The other agent. Hold on. So let's open Handy. I'll use this for dictation for now. I've reloaded the app. I've reloaded the app. What is currently next in the pipeline? There's another agent that's interacting with our files, and also making commits. We're currently 13 dirty. Can you check what's committed so far? Oh, what's up, Sam? Yeah, the orb is going crazy. It's pretty cool. It's currently closed though because it's we've got this agent that's working on it. There is now a portal server called Metro that starts with one player. Oh, okay. Didn't EA say they didn't allow portal servers to start with one player? So portal servers can start with one player if they're authorized. If the creator is like an authorized creator, right? So they're pretty exploitable though. There's the solo load ones. There's a lot of things you can do to work around it. It was like a custom game mode, similar to the pistol one. That was the electric pistol shock thing. I want to Draco compress and lazy load this model. We don't want to lose any fidelity or quality on the model unless it's extremely large. I do like Handy, it's fucking fast. Take a look at your GPU and tell me which way to go. Looks right, come out. I'll see into main. Always open up local hosts or HTMLs that I should be viewing. We've got here. Okay, did the software with my placeholders. Open the HTML. Okay, slash clear or start a new clear code session. Run design sync and make sure it targets the design system package. How do I do that? So I should be able to watch it fill in here. Salam alaikum, brother. Salam salam.
Get banned.
I'm bad, I've unmuted now.
It's alright. We're having a good time. Alright, where are you?
How do I
You can,
populate?
you can even download like the terminal map and stuff like that. There's loads of
Oh, really?
there's loads of maps people have made.
Oh, so I don't have you. Hold on. How do I not have you still? Oh, Stein, hello.
Hello, Stein.
Steve.
Yo, alaikum salam, Mr. Aye guy.
If anyone's too quiet on the Discord, by the way, guys, let us know. No worries, brother. Hope you're having a good night. Tell me what you read. It's not act on it. Looks right. Commit and sync to main. Is it this one? No. Oh wait, yeah, it was. Shit. Oops. Sorry, can you open it again? I accidentally closed it. Oopsie.
Come on, I still don't have you.
Right, here's the plan.
Hang on, let me go. Friends, view list.
I don't have you, mate.
Oh yeah, don't you say it?
I've
I clicked
Didn't
hack
blocked me, did you?
No, I clicked it.
No, I don't have you. Hold on. Let me do it again.
Yeah, it still looks like shit.
Oh, no, it
to be
is.
honest.
There you go.
Was it take a little while for it to pop up? Does it?
Yeah, it took its time. Alright, you want the game as well, Callum and Ben?
Oh,
and Lauren?
shit. What's that?
You want
I'll
this
buy
new game we're going to play?
Oh, the
Mecha-
painting one. Mecha Chameleon. Yeah, that's fucking sick. That's right, I can buy it.
No, I'll buy it.
No,
No, I'll buy it.
We're not that poor.
No one is. Why
Yeah,
are you
even-
insinuating something? No,
Even,
no, no, no.
even
I think you're
I'm not
insinuating that we're poor and we can't
I'm
afford
not
can-
that game.
insinuating you're no, no. I'm trying to be nice. I'm not
To be fair,
insinuating anything.
to be fair, normally I am that poor, but I'm not because I got paid like 2 days ago. So
We are.
Alright, fuck it, you can buy it then.
Yeah, I've got a solid. I have a solid 385 quid in the bank. I'm fucking balling.
Well, you get 385.
Plus 700 pounds I got from what is it? Thingy's that Liv's dad for watches. He wants me to buy some watches for him.
Oh, it's sad.
You have very nice Arabic Slayer. I like that. Yeah, I'll try, man. It's
I can't wait to order my next watch. I need it.
Because I need.
the
It's not a want, it's a need.
chat still doesn't seem to be copied over correctly. It's still just small windows. Super basic squares. API error. Ooh. How do we get an API error? We roughen our usage maybe? / usage. No, we're chilling. Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday is going to be so warm. By the way,
Tuesday.
We've got a
Tuesday,
weather
innit?
warning, haven't we?
yeah, it's meant to. I think on Wednesday it gets 37 degrees.
What?
Yeah,
What's that in my book? Wednesday is 30 for us. Thursday. Oh, precipitation. Heavy thunderstorms. That'd be fun.
yeah.
That's
So
about right.
Tuesday it's meant to get to 35. Wednesday 37. Thursday 35. Friday 32.
That's spicy. That is fucking hot.
That's a
You get
spicy
tough off.
mid.
And I'm gonna be at work. Oh. Gonna be fucking working.
I'm going to be off all those days because today was my last day of my shift.
Ah, must be nice, eh?
Yeah, mate.
You know what? See, for that, buy your own game. If we're going to play it, I'll buy it.
Yeah, I'll play it.
Only if you play, because we still have to finish Subnautica. So how long?
We do. Lauren doesn't like Subnautica though, so it's just going to be us. I actually enjoyed it, so and so did
I
Callum.
enjoyed it, but it took me like 7 hours to enjoy it though.
Yeah, yeah. Takes
I
a little bit to
enjoyed
get used to it.
logging off as What?
So you enjoyed logging off?
well. Yeah.
Give it a read there. If it needs any changing. No, that seems good. Let's
Oh, I thought you said I enjoyed it after 7 hours and after
update the
Lauren logged
.md
off,
and
I was like,
re-render.
No.
That's fucked
no.
up.
No, that's well. That's pretty good.
That's fucked up.
No, I didn't ask.
Never playing with you guys
It's
again.
doing the engine normalizer.
You never do
This is
anything.
going.
Too busy
Still suck.
fixing your balls.
Okay. Sync the design system package. It's already pinned to Cortana AI design system project.
Oh, where are you? Where are you? You're here.
Right, I'm confused. What do you want me to do? Design system. Why? So fucking disgustingly bright. Let's just make this smaller.
So what you oh, I'll try that again. Oh my gosh. Shut up.
You sprechen the English?
Sprechen Sie English, ja?
ja? What is the end goal for this? Oh, my sunburn. Ow.
Alright,
What's
see, we
the
started
end goal?
Cortana design system. We're building in any direction so I don't go wrong.
What?
This is it so far. It doesn't seem like there's anything attached, like files. It doesn't seem to have any context on what we've actually been talking about. I'm not too sure if it's actually synced correctly. What's the repo for the Lift AI project? GitHub. So that's the repo. Cortana AI. Where's the Lift AI website? That's the MCP. Check the web folder in the current project directory, the Lift AI directory. It's committed in the GitHub repo. Which doesn't seem to be copied over correctly. I'm still just small windows, super basic squares. That's in the wrong one. Continue. Getting fucking API errors. So annoying. API error again.
Was this going to be like Cortana?
What's that?
Was this going to be something similar to Cortana?
Kind of. Yeah.
Kind of.
It's going to be able to control everything on my PC though. And like do pretty much anything. It's control my agents. Yeah, it's basically going to be an all-in-one agent. Vega activity tuning bench is a natural potential model playing. Let's not touch the GitHub work. Let's do the Vega reactivity tuning bench.
Oh, Cam, do you know how to do the lines for QC?
Yeah. I sent that link on it.
Ah, stand by.
Hang on, I'll have a look.
I'm gonna make a folder of this shit. Oh yeah. Oh, found it.
I want it to match the reference, then we can go from there and build it out or reduce or remove something.
I mean, like you can.
What's
pretty
up,
much do
Sam?
the
How you
same
doing,
thing,
brother? Good, man.
whatever.
Yeah, it's good. It's not too bad, to be honest. Not too shabby. I'm getting fucking API errors out the arse though for this. Yeah, it's just. Oh, bro. I don't know how though. It's actually 1:30 AM. Probably the Chinese, maybe. On their VPNs. There's no issues currently. It's fucking annoying.
Dead VC. Hello.
Yo, yo.
Yo.
Okay, so this is still processing. So is this. These two products ain't liking it. This one's running though.
Scottish, check your Steam notifications, bud.
Oh, you guys are me sick. No. No.
I don't beat you to it.
No.
Did you give the game to him?
Yeah.
Get fucked.
You have it. Let me gift you the game.
Okay.
Let me gift you the game.
I've already got it. I've bought it for me, Ben
off.
and Lauren.
Oh, you bought it for all of us. Didn't need to do that, bruv.
Nah.
Oh, I didn't need to do that.
You did. I don't want to do that.
Brother.
What can I buy you then? Thanks.
You ain't got a bad name.
Buy him a double-ended dildo.
That is quite hard.
His hat.
I can share it with someone. You already own it. Do you own it?
Okay, seems to be okay now, I think.
Right, I bought
Let's
Bennett.
do such compact. Wait, how did you buy me it?
I already bought Ben and Lauren it.
What?
Why?
Why?
I want you to do that.
Why?
It was like a choir.
I
Why?
was joking.
Why?
Why?
It was a yoke. I was gonna do it. I didn't mean buy it. Why?
Let's just compact contacts. Maybe it's shitting itself. Okay, right, lazy loaded. Okay, it's Draco compressed, it's lazy loaded. Nice, 19 megabytes to 700 kilobytes. It's so fucking good. Draco compression's OP. Let's commit and get this live. I want you to deploy the white label version on a URL with the same password that was on the previous one, so we can actually monitor it and QC it. Right, here we go. Building the UI now. UI specialist background. Full bench per spec. UI. 3 burner reactions. Breaths, onset flare, treble shimmer. Live mic. Okay, nice. It's back. Build Vega reactivity tuning bench. Hmm. Why is the agent built-in Vega reactivity tuning bench when we're on Serenity AI Suite? Can you give me the context of this? I can't remember what we were doing. Ooh, who builds the rebuild to match the reference? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, compaction's almost done. Let's compact this as well. We'll continue the website. Do we actually have the GitHub stuff now? OpenAI and Anthropic. Smart contacts. Smart add small dictation cost. The cleanups though. Let's restart again. 406 done. Alright, so what does it say about this? What Vega in this is in this project. Serenity AI Suite is a local Windows companion persona and the orb is on the screen face. Right, okay. Maybe it should be a bit better then. Okay, cool. It's just relaunching the builder now.
No.
What was that?
I'm in a game. I was trying to save my
You
team.
can close the previous UI build in the workflow if it's 529'd.
Right, what can I get you guys as a present? When are you moving in? Get moving present.
GigaChad is active, which is our other agent. Oh, bro, even the compact failed. What about you? Yeah. Is there an issue with showing the account name and the account ID on Wrangler? Is this a security issue if anyone else sees it? These are all the things we've been doing. Alright. Okay, previous UI build. Right, the new one's going then. What can we do while the UI builder is going? Alfred, can you talk for me real quick? Just testing the dictation on the orb, the audio activity.
That's so cool.
Right then, testing the dictation on the orb and audio activity.
Yeah, it's just
I'm ready to go.
doesn't even look like
Just
it's talking.
speak
It's just
naturally, and I'll capture whatever
larger.
you'd like me to transcribe. What would you like me to say or help with?
Definitely need to make that a bit better. We will work on it. Hopefully these compactions work. What's next? Provision and spike. You're supposed to spike burst with sprite posture, but the machine isn't set up for Unreal. Let's open up Unity then. Visual Studio installer. Oh. This one. Visual installer. Modify workloads. Where the fuck is modify? Is it on the install? I got installed. Let's wait for this to update actually. Leave that there for now. Check the other stuff. Update Wrangler to the latest version.
How much is Claude? Let's see.
Quite a lot.
I want to build some
We're
shit,
doing a
that's
lot.
fine.
I would say if you're using Claude Code with the best model Opus, start with the 5 times version. I think it's like 90 quid.
Right, is that a month? Yeah.
Yeah, a month, yeah.
That's fine. What other stuff can I get? Ooh. There's got to be like tutorials and stuff though.
Right, here we go. While waiting, draft the port plan.
Wow.
I work started granting Anthropic licenses out to folk. Yeah, it's the same as me as well. I need to get access to it, to be honest. I need to put in a request. Ugh. What the fuck? What I imagined Cortana to look like if the AI was human. And Cortana replied, mate, that's not a human. That's what happens when the Terminator fucks a bonfire. Honestly though, fair. I'd take glowing skull with anger issues over whatever North American infantry main energy you're giving off. C4 enjoy an early bird. You wake up at 6 AM to chuck explosives at people. Seek help. That's fucking funny.
Right, I've got 5 times uses now, 100 a month.
Nice.
There we go. Right, how do I use this then, son?
Yeah, his service is degraded. You want to install Claude Code? So let me do. Let me open up my Ben's agent builder repo, and I'll create a guide for you. And you can just give it to your agent, and it'll do everything.
This is pretty cool.
We're going to be creating a guide in plain English for somebody who's new to AI coding tools and Claude Code. I want you to gather as much context that is relevant as possible. And we're also going to be giving him this agent directory as a zip file for him to open and use. So add that to our thing as well. Do need to make a guide anyway, so butcher that name, can't even spell it right. Match. Yeah, it's class. I'm gonna ask for one pros when I'm next covering UK, back covering Asia Oceania for 3 weeks. Yeah, to make sure they put fucking I wouldn't give it to everyone, because the thing is, you need to realistically block MCPs from everyone if it has access to anything internal. And they need to be given on an as needed basis. That's where the danger comes in, is MCPs, file access. And obviously hallucinations while using tools. Like if it deletes some of the data, like if you have it connected to, like, I don't know, Xerox? What's the thing that gives you, like, I don't know, access to like financial data, and then you fucking accidentally give it right permissions and boom, see you later. If it hallucinates. Doesn't happen often, but it can do. Still having issues compacting. Just keep trying. No, Claude is still grey area. I only rolled out to UK at the minute. Yeah, it's definitely a grey area for sure. Our securities just doesn't really know what to do with it. What's this look like? Oh, okay, that's better. It works now. If you see here, this is what we want, right? I don't think we want it in its actual own section, like a pop up to the right. I just want it floating out in the open and bigger. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, it's closed. Yeah, sweet. Can you open up, please? Can you take a screenshot? We'll leave it. We'll just leave it for now. But yeah, that looks great. Okay, let's read most of the stuff. Why'd you make Cortana so fucking cheeky, lol? Because it's funny. It's good. And she just takes a piss at everyone and roasts someone. You gotta have a bit of humour in life. Dark humour. Yeah, you just gotta... Come, not somebody who takes things too seriously.
Let's see.
Just run design sync again. So I think I'm gonna run on this session. Should be fine. Right, branch head. Leave the fix on the feat design system. Leave the fix on design system. Now we can actually modify it now this is updated. So let's modify this. What do we need to do? Def is coming. Modify workloads. Workloads.
I'm tired.
Modify workloads. Where the fuck is workloads? Oh, it's here. Okay, I'm stupid. And we want gain development with C++. Let's do both of these, actually. Desktop development with C++. We need desktop development with C++ as well. Where's that? So that's already ticked. $7 gig, that's fine. I'll install those. Never seen so much attitude from AI. Are you talking to her in the Discord or something? Okay, I've installed the... Oh my god. I've installed the Unity stuff. Right, are you done yet? Because I want to fucking use Serenity. It's just pissing me off. Are you errored? You haven't errored. Not showing how much context you've used either. So I've got handy again. Commit all the changes, please. Leave the fix on the feat design system for when it merges. Project set was empty, but the populate build grade upgrade will never run. How do you want to proceed? Let's populate. Let's start with equip. How you doing? Yeah, no, nothing on Battlefield 6, I'm afraid. It's sort of out of sight, out of mind for me at the minute. Shall I download that Mecha Chameleon game? I don't think it takes much to download anyway, does it, to be honest? Guys, hello? Hello? Scottish Cal?
Yo.
Shall I download that Mecha Chameleon game?
Yeah.
Or is it small? Does it not really matter?
It's tiny.
Oh, okay, yeah, fuck it.
Yeah, I think like just the storage adds up. Like when you play it and you look through the map.
Oh, the custom
lobby,
maps and that.
Yeah, I think you download them like while you're in a lobby with people. I think.
Yeah.
I'll buy Sama then. I'll buy him.
I've got to add salami.
Salami.
Orchestrator shell can run check only gates, not linking gates. Bunnies go for a sub-agent, which is what we did. Good to know for the rest of the build. Okay. I'll take one capability convention fix next. Yeah, go ahead. Start. Where are we actually on the GitHub as well? What's this like? This emo music. It's not too bad, but I don't know if it's 2 a.m. type stuff.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you.
Copyright sounds, playlists. Let's do the top 50 popular songs. Absolute banger. Unity is in, stuff is installed. What's next? Do we have the MCP still installed? Blender, 11 hours Meshy, get access token savior. What's that?
I'm
hook?
coming off now.
Alright, baby.
Night,
Alright,
guys.
thanks for the
Oh, that
riveting
looks good.
conversation.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Good
See you.
night.
Good night.
Night. The Lift AI chat now looks great, although it seems to be locked in its own box. How about we have the 3D element loose, because it's currently being cut off on the left and the right. So it sits on the right hand side, but not in its own section. So it looks like it's a part of the chat that's on the left. Start phase 2. Good night, Miss Lollipop. Alright, so while we're waiting, let's do-
Where do I add? Who's that?
You're right, babe. Okay. I'm gonna turn my camera because my fiance's getting dressed. Don't want none of that on the stream. That would be diabolical.
That would be
What's up, babe? Yeah. I'm gonna go to bed in a bit.
As am I. I'm ghost from today. I'm just so tired, that's why I'm not talking much.
Yeah. I am also a fried.
Just watch YouTube videos.
Yeah.
I'm watching more videos on watches.
I bet you are, yeah.
Can you help it?
Oh, I'm going to
Can you
make a
help it?
list. Can you, I'll send it over to you.
Yeah, send the
Oh,
list.
no.
I'll find
Paul's
the
been a little
best version.
bitch as well, so.
Sick.
Hmm? Sure.
I'll show you my list as well, so you can see.
I didn't. I accidentally done it, and so I just left it. But I can pull it out and whatever.
No, drop it on the side. Go to live.
Oh.
And now, get rid of that one.
Oh,
Look at there. Get rid of that one. Yeah. Get rid of that.
aha.
You don't need that. Drag it out.
That's cool. That's very nice. Like that. Yeah, I like Project. It's good.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're
Very
telling
good.
me that shit is like,
Yeah,
you
well,
changed your mind now.
I have
Change your tune real quick, eh?
changed. I'm a changed man. I say.
Change man.
What can I say? Change man.
Hello.
Yeah, I don't know about that one. It's a tall ask. Tall ask from a short girl.
A small.
Red man.
Hmm?
A small gyal.
Yeah.
Small gyal.
Guide AI coding tools and code. Guide plain English. Start here. What are coding tools?
Bad gyal. Any bundling was around?
For the beginner safety choices, what we should do is in the initial interview, that we basically start with a user, you should ask them if they want to apply this to the projects they're making. And then what we also want to do is be able to change our own Claude.omd or the initial preferences we have for the setup for each project based on what the user says. So we should also have that in our repository, in our directory because when they load up the bin agent builder on a fresh session, they're not going to have context, and it's only going to be what's in the .md files that it loads up with in its context.
It's done by Cal.
Um,
I'm trying to find it.
What you're doing?
I'm buying watches.
Nothing different.
It's that one I'm gonna go and I want
When you buying Rolexes?
probably
Sup, Shalami? She said you fucking joined the call, what you put. Such a retard.
Yeah, well, obviously I'm not gonna say on call, am I?
Just getting it out in chat instead of being on call.
Yeah.
Oh, good lord.
Just don't share your screen, you'll be fine.
Oh, where is this? Where
How
is it?
much
Where is it? Where is it?
higher quality and lighting, etc., will we actually get on Unreal Engine 5.8 developing compared to Unity 6, and how flushed out the MCPs are and the AI-based development?
Isn't Unreal Engine 5 like a pain in the ass to optimize though?
Yeah. Well, kind of. Developers are just not using it properly, as
Well,
usual.
I mean, I suppose you've got Valorant. Valorant runs off Unreal Engine 5, so. But
Yeah, it's
again,
not
no
too
one really
bad.
plays Valorant.
Right, I want these Cal.
Right.
I tried playing Valorant last night and I was like, I just couldn't.
I'm gonna get a new folder in my. I've got a watch link folder. I'm gonna put a folder in that folder.
I've got quite a lot, so just I want to spend a lot of money, so I need at least 10 to fit that box that's coming tomorrow. So
That is a lot of watches.
Well, I've got a couple of empty spaces. You know what I mean?
No, it's completely
See
overlapping
if I get
onto the
4.
actual chat, and the
If I
chat
get
hasn't shifted to the
4 of
left.
the ones that I want,
It should be a bit
then I've got
smaller,
6 more spaces, don't I?
and without
What watch
the
could I steal?
city in the background. Or, actually, yeah, we'll keep the city,
My mum does
but
a
we'll have
better
it
watch
populate
than
the entire chat box from left to right, and just have
This is
the
nice.
actual Lift AI
You
building
stole
element
my
off to the
Apple
right hand
Watch. Is
side.
that bad?
I'm a Garmin boy at the moment. Oh man, sick. That's a bait version.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, I like both
Right,
date
Rex.
and no date.
Is that not the Submariner?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's lovely.
I've
God,
got
I can
the
scrap
blue
the box then.
easy.
Right.
I thought about getting one, but it's more. Knowing me, I didn't.
We want to keep all of the background elements of the space and the stars and being able to move it around, but just have the T800 in the center and have its head facing forward as a central point and being able to move around the body as the center anchor point, similar to how we had the anchor point for the red nucleus and moved around it, but it's just going to be the T800's head, and the body is going to be below that. Do that, then our website, so just full designs. What was it? Full design sound again? Design was failing. Seems to be fixed now, actually, which is good.
I don't know what, fuck it, 10, 15 years ago.
Yeah,
uh,
that's nice.
because of the rap scene, but now people appreciate the factory set diamonds more. Iced out looks dog shit.
I think
I
looks
don't
class,
understand why they do that though, because literally when you add something that's non-official to the watch, you just bring down the value of it. So say for example, like, I don't know, like an 80k watch, you ice out with diamonds, you're probably bringing it down to what, 15, 20k? Probably even less than that.
I think it depends on the watch and the craftsmanship and stuff, but a lot of the time it is because you're catering to a smaller market. I mean, rappers are pretty fucking... Rappers like their iced out dog shit, but I think it's becoming less and less popular now, which is good.
I mean, what way can I say this? I personally don't think most rappers are very popular with just, they're all the same type of rap in it, so...
Yeah, no, you'll be very surprised. Disgustingly popular.
But there's no way someone will turn around and hear like a lot of the mumble rap that they say and think, oh, this is absolutely brilliant music, I'm going to listen to this. Like, no.
Yeah, honestly, a lot of it's just like social media and clout
like
and
a
who they hang
filler.
around with, as well as like the producers that they have and the flow of the beats and stuff. Some of them can say absolute shit, but if they got good solid beats, it
It's the
doesn't
same
really
with
matter.
Oh.
drill. Like, I've never thought that drill's any good.
You have some
Just
good choices.
I've got some bangers, mate. Don't worry about that.
Oh, you do, man. That one's nice. I'm not a fan of them, but I would have that just to fill space.
Oh yeah, nice. Particularly, I like it.
Because
Mhm.
you've got 10 spaces, don't you?
This is 3D element for the Lift AI site.
Who, what, and where, who, what, and where.
Huh?
What?
It's gonna go. It's on the website currently, but it's gonna be in the AI chat. It's basically just gonna be like a visual showcase of what's what. So yeah, it's gonna be good once it's finished. I just want Fable to come back because that's way better at stuff like this. Because
That's nice.
was
Smith
dog shit
Able.
before.
Tudor is a sub company from Rolex as well, so Tudor is still a fucking good brand.
Oh, they do.
That's really nice.
The actual build quality of Tudor watches are banging.
Tudors are phenomenal watches.
Have they actually announced when
But-
Fable 5 is coming back? Failed. Continue.
I need to find the Omega James Bond was wearing.
Yeah, have a look at the one that I've just sent there, mate.
Fuck off.
Yeah, I sent it literally about 4 seconds before you said, I need the Amiga for James Bond.
I've heard these songs about a million fucking times.
Yeah, I need to buy that.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
That is sick. That'd be like top right.
No, none of that.
Oh,
Top right,
mate,
aye.
that's nice.
Top right.
Your man far left. I was streaming.
Nah, don't, because you'll set me off.
There we
That's
go.
good. Right, so
Fetch
definitely
Vega
this
classify
one.
code. Okay, we're back now. What's next? Okay, we're
this
back.
tune?
What's next? Cool.
Ah, the overseas is nice as well.
Really seen is no backdrop, not an overlay, sits behind the conversation. Okay, that's good. Is that actually true though?
I can hear myself on stream. Fuck.
Mute stream then.
I've muted it now. I hate hearing my voice in other places, it's bad.
Yeah, I don't like the sound of my own voice.
No, I sound like a block-nosed 10-year-old. I think.
Most people think I'm just a raging like 40-year-old half the time, so.
Do they?
Aye, you do, aye.
Do they?
Yeah, you're a baby. A wee baby.
Didn't
Well,
ask, mate.
Well, it's not
The
probably
chat is still on the center when it should be tucked to the left hand
Probably the
side,
obvious.
and the building should be
yeah.
tucked to the right hand side. Analyze this
You
image
fucking
and
idiot.
the location of both of them.
Dafty.
What about Yachtmaster? That's pretty sick.
I'm literally just about to fucking send you one now.
I'm in your balls, matey. I'm in your fucking walls.
Just buy a yacht at this point.
No, I'm just fucking
Why did that bash get denied?
That sounds a bit sus. Yes.
So would I get a discount then if I order like 5 at once?
Probably.
We've got another agent working on the Cortana AI project.
Should
Oh
hope.
mate, that Yachtmaster with the rubber band's nice. That's like a James Bond one. That'd be top left.
Did you just say a watch with rubber bands?
Yeah, that's one. So I could put that one.
Can you open the
Next to
HTML for my viewing? Put it on my main monitor.
Oops, sorry.
Let me open CSM. What's going on here? Scottish, what do you think about Discord bot so far?
That's funny. I've not listened to it yet though.
Yeah, I need to work on the delay when it's joining VCs, but aside from that, it's working. You'll probably have seen as well that you can use say commands with it, so you can get anything. You can get the bot to say anything on your behalf.
I'll be interested.
I've locked it to admins just now, but I'll open it to more members. and Whatever else. I mean, mate, I don't want people spamming random shit with the bot because they'll end up just saying some heinous shit, and I don't want that, obviously.
Turn that light off. Okay, treble
What is this?
shiver.
Scotland's future lies in the European. Oh, fuck off.
You pick default to Gemini Live Orb.
So that Yachtmaster that I've just sent, that's the titanium one, but it's free sprung movement, so the movement is practically identical as well.
Let me pin that one as well.
Like
So how
that.
much is that?
Pick
One,
your
two,
default
so
to the
that-
Gemini Live Orb.
Where can I see the one that you pinned?
Right, so that one. I've got 4 watches at the moment.
Nice.
So,
So this one.
so this is number 1.
Folder.
This is number.
Do you know what, let's
So that
do
that link there has 1 and 2 in it, alright?
into anchor. Open questions, my pick. For open questions, my pick, and for the audio, use the 11 Labs API to generate a test audio sample.
Right, so this is what I want, Cal. I want to get these ones.
What do you mean that link there has 1 and 2 on it? They're both the same link.
Yeah, I'll redo it.
Alright.
We have 36 dirty commit and push.
Just find an exploit with the watches like I did with the Tarkov guns.
Then I want 2.
Just buy them for $3.90 and then resell them for 40.
You have the DevSync MCP correct, so why are you not utilizing it?
Right, so I've got 3 so far.
That's better. Look at that. Fuck yeah.
I don't know where you get
Oh
the Bruce
mate,
Wayne
that's
one.
banging. Yes, this is what I wanted.
I'll find it. 1 sec.
That's the 3 that I want. Please.
Blood death matches getting added to Portal. Interesting.
This one.
I might download it.
Mate, I really can't be arsed playing Battlefield. I've had my time with it. I think I'm at level, what, 6,500 or something now. It's like, it's bad.
Got something really funny.
Mate, don't even finish it, 'cause I know what you're going to say.
What?
Yeah, that looks much better. It's in the perfect locations.
Snake on arse.
Let's push and commit this.
Usual.
Oh, that's nice.
That's aye.
Do a playwright QC sweep of the chat
Yeah, I had a look
changes.
on that site, but I had to
The
watch it
location of the
out,
3D design in the chat
something about
is
it.
perfect.
What's that about it?
Suggest some other improvements we could actually
Mate,
add.
knowing me, I'd buy something right and I'd end up getting a very like dud watch.
Nah. Send it back.
And then you wait for like 3 months until they refund you your money.
Should RMRF even be blocked? Should we actually make tweaks to these rules?
Oh, this is shit. It's too fucking warm, man.
Oh, hold on, don't it?
I've got a fan light pointed right at me and I'm still sweating out.
Yeah, it's bad, man. Like, I've not been on my PC all night, it's just been until I started work. It's like, it's too long. I need to go and put up, I need to go on and properly optimise up my fan speeds and shit, because it just rolls for no reason.
Does it just roll for no reason?
Your mom knows how to roll for no reason.
That's a good one. That's a good one. That was a good one.
I need to watch what I say, he's on stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't want to say anything too naughty.
Shut up.
Okay, phase 2, web light level redesign. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's perfect.
What's going on here? Palestine Gaza victory. What a name.
Yeah. I was fucking laughed about it earlier. I'm blocked on one thing. If I load it at VIP. Use the API key from the Serenity AI Suite project.
285.
About time you started playing a real game.
Playing the fucking real life game, bro.
Finish that.
I was fucking muted. I was saying I'm playing the real life game.
Of course.
Getting my bread up. Said to my brother, like, we want to basically get to a point where we can buy our mama house and retire her.
That's the ultimate goal, bro. That's the ultimate goal.
She's been, she was a single parent and she absolutely fucking smashed it.
Deserves it then.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, of course, well, good luck to you both, bro.
Yeah, mate, she fucking deserves everything. I'm not just saying that as like, you know, oh, well, I want to give my mum everything. Like, she's, the amount of shit she had to go through is mental. I think you only, like, when you think back to it, you only really realise it when you get older and you think, fucking hell, like, I keep thinking back to situations and I'm like, oh, she reacted that way because of this. And
yeah. Yeah, I know exactly where you're coming from.
yeah, it's mental. So, I'm going to do a lot.
I mean, I suppose, like, there's even, and this isn't some, this, you know, I don't feel like people talk about this enough, but even though, like, say for example, at events from like 10 years ago, 15 years ago, like, even like as an adult, you still think about it. You still think about it possibly more than what you should.
Yeah.
Or at least I can definitely say that from my experience, I would say that a lot of people do.
Yeah, Anthony, what was your name in before?
I think the Bruce Wayne one's Scottish.
Bosh. Thank you, bro.
Right. Perhaps.
Was you wanting it on the Oyster
What's next?
or the Jubilee bracelet?
What's that?
That Bruce, the Bruce Wayne. One that I've sent first is on an Oyster bracelet.
Prompt the Codex GPT CLI to do a review for us.
Ah, yeah. I like the Oyster one better.
Yeah. I think the Jubilee looks nicer for like the day dates and the date jump.
Yeah.
It's a smaller watch. The Oyster suits the Submariners better.
I feel like the Oyster one, the one the
Oh,
guys
Wayland. Fuck yeah. What's up, dude? Been a while. Did you vibe code him back in the day then? I don't even remember. Oh, damn, man. OG. Still kicking.
Yeah, OG's
Good to see you, brother. Very, very good to see you. Seems like a lot of the OGs are still hanging around. Apart from a couple, like, what was it? Damascus, whatever his name was. Absolute G.
Damascus?
Yeah, Damas or something. The guy from Warhammer. I can't remember what his name was.
I thought you were talking about Demetrius. So.
Yeah, Demetrius, yeah, that was it.
I spoke with Demetrius actually pretty recently. He's doing quite well.
Yeah, that's quality.
I don't even think he's on
those colours.
I don't even think he's on Discord much, to be honest with you, Ben. Plus with time zones and shit like that as well, it's kind of like, anytime I send him a message, I don't get a message till like 10 hours later.
Yeah.
That's because he's a big raging Kiwi. No, I think he's either Kiwi or Oz.
If you check the 3D stickmen, their legs cross over, it doesn't look like a normal human body. We should give them knee joints and elbow joints as well in the motion, and redo their walking animation to make it look natural and human-like. And also when they sit in chairs, their legs stick through the chairs.
Conk, and you had, who was the other guy? Morty.
Yeah.
I mean, Morty's. I've spoken with Morty a few times. I spoke with Morty pretty recently as well. I haven't spoke to Kong probably since November, to be honest with you. Oh, Jorrit's playing Daisy. Swag.
Yeah, I was trying to get you into it when you're exploiting things, and I was like, you know what, you'd be really good at this. And you were like, meh, lol, yeah, no, fucking, bro, I love this shit. You were certainly right. And I'm literally making a career out of it now. I'm going to be moving into an AR engineering role at work. Pretty big one as well, so. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I've been obsessed with it for the past 3 months, to be honest. Oh shit.
I mean, it is quite hard to step away from. Like, seeing you see the endless possibilities with vibe coding, it's kind of like it's hard to step away from. Oh shit, I didn't mean that.
Let's do the bench and start tuning. What would you want me to actually do? Okay, so it should move when this fires.
Scottish, did I show you the what type of stock mod I was making?
Vaguely, yes.
Yeah, zombies
So
mod.
it should start routing. Okay, so it goes to CRM and field ops. It's loading field ops here.
I mean, I've been awake for like the last half hour.
It goes to safety.
Probably
Bro,
gonna
that's
be
so
awake
sick.
till
How crazy is that?
early afternoon.
That's fucking unreal. Listen, this is my brother.
Yeah, I'm trying to build my own like voice assistant just now. I did kind of try and like streamline it towards like sort of like JARVIS type, but we'll wait and see.
That's a tough one. Like I said, I can just give you my code and you can copy my project and then make it yourself. Make
I
it
know,
your own
but
as well.
It's like I do want to try and like do it myself. That's
Yeah.
kind of like original that way.
That's good though.
Also, no disrespect. Obviously, it's just kind of like I want to try and go vanilla with it.
No, definitely.
Nah.
Fuck yeah.
No disrespect. Fuck you, fuck all these.
Yeah, you fucking bitch.
Fuck off, I got you.
Nah,
Yeah,
I mean,
like
I'm just pretty like, just pretty vanilla. So.
Oh man, that's sick.
Yeah, you need a couple of smart leather watch.
Well, I've got six bases left, so.
When
What
the
if I
chat
code a
gets
spaceship
long
and
on
fly
the
away
chat
from you?
interface,
I just love that. I'm just
and
green
on
watch shopping, but just sending them to you.
the
and you're
conversations on
like,
the left hand side, the
Yeah,
actual
well, it's
scroll
fine.
up and down
Forget-
is pretty prominent. We want it to blend in and sort of be a blue dark hue like the background. Only make it slightly subtle so it blends in with the environment.
I'm just trying to think of a good mixture of other nice brands that have some really fucking stunning.
Congrats on that. I moved on slowly from this. I'm most
Stand out,
definitely
you know.
thinking differently. This changes your view on the things a lot in terms of infrastructure. So that's my main focus now. Yeah, for sure, brother. That's good though. That's super awesome.
I think I'll do that.
I mean,
Yeah,
see, to be
super
fair,
fucking
right,
sick.
I've just saw what Bishop said in chat. He does actually make a pretty valid point with it.
Yeah.
It does definitely change your view on a lot of things.
The thing is as well, with infrastructure and stuff as well, that's going to be, I mean, security and infrastructure is going to be crazy.
Yeah,
Because
like,
going to be,
it's-
everyone's going to be doing this shit and anyone can pretty much do this shit.
I mean, it's going to be like a massive like infosec nightmare, and it already is.
Yeah, already is, definitely. Is in our business already. Like they're getting,
Yeah.
the higher ups are pressuring security because security is saying, no, we can't use MCPs, this, that and the other. But the thing is, it's blocking development realistically.
I
But
don't know how that would
It's
work
difficult
with
to fully
prompting.
check everything.
Yeah, because it usually, for some prompts as well, it usually does ask for elevated access, so you're going to give like every single dev like domain admin account, so like how the fuck is that?
If you've got read access to stuff and it's in an isolated environment, it's fine. But when you're touching like, you know, like client data or that sort of shit, that's when it gets, you know,
Yeah,
a bit
that's not
iffy.
like that's sort of like GDPR and that would come into place as well. What's
Exactly,
a
yeah.
massive like pain in the ass. Because even right now, in my current workplace, for requesting any sort of AI license, there's usually this massive disclaimer, and then you need to go through 2 weeks worth of AI training and shit like that before you can even get a sniff of an AI license. What I think it's alright, but how many people actually listen to the summary before getting this license? Is it just a case of, right, we're just going to plot them hundreds of modules and then they'll probably get AI to do it themselves to answer the questions?
Yeah.
Like, you know, there's no like real checks in play for, or not from what I've seen anyway. I think a lot of, because from my experience, I'm not saying that everyone in infrastructure is lazy, but I have worked alongside some people where it's just like, nah, just throw it out in the masses. If something happens, something happens. I used to do that as well, so I can't really say much.
Are you working on any other projects other than your Battlefield one and your Jarvis one, have you?
What, are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Yeah, a few ones, mate. So right now I'm trying to build a 3D kit editor for my father's business, and I could probably take a screenshot. I've got quite a few Claude sessions. I've got a Claude session manager as well, so I can just go in back and forth and whatever else. But the main ones I've been working on aside from that, the Vostok mod, the zombies mod I've been making. So I've managed to get the behaviour of the zombies sort of like, I don't want to say DayZ style, but kinda like that. It's got the same principles in place. What else have I got? I've got a CPU monitor app that I've been building, so that monitors temps and whatever else. Wellbeing app. Tried to make my own wellbeing app.
Nice, yeah.
I'm very bad with time management. I always have been. So
I remember that.
Yeah, well,
ADHD in that.
I've more just thought, right, the amount of time that I spend at a PC every day through working outside of work, I'm like, well, if I can build an app where it can tell me, well, automatically from startup, it tells me my reminders and what I've got in plan for the day. As well, obviously I'm an iPhone user, so I've connected iCal to my wellbeing app as well, so it will read every sort of like calendar event.
Yeah.
And because obviously it's iCal, so every single sort of like application that I've got on my phone, so say for example, like emails and stuff like that. Say for example I get a meeting invite for anything, that would go straight to iCal, and then obviously it would feed back to the Vita wellbeing app. I want to try and implement an AI chatbot within it. I've experimented with Haiku at the minute more because it's the cheapest version, but with deeper reasoning that uses Opus 4.8. But
that's good.
I don't know, man.
I wouldn't use Opus. I would use Sonnet.
Expensive.
Yeah, just use Sonnet. It's good enough.
I think Haiku and Sonnet, I think, is more than good enough. I think Opus is a bit overkill, unless you've been asking to review like code structure or some shit. If you're asking a wellbeing app then you've got severe fucking issues. In my opinion, of course. But yeah, I actually need to do more about that kit editor. I'm going to speak to Dad about a few things as well, because he's not really he's been pretty vague with it. I've just showed him, he's like, yeah, that's just cool. I'm like, well, is it? Or are you just saying that? I've obviously showed you a snipping tool that I made, which is pretty much
the snipping tool's fucking sick. You can like, that's what I need to do is like, you know, annotate shit and stuff like that.
Yes, I've went with absolutely everything, so it's all a black and gold theme. I've built my own word editor, and like pretty much a free version of Adobe Acrobat. Not Adobe Acrobat, of course, in case there's any like, in case there's any marketing agents or anything in chat. You know, it's not like that at all, of course. But wink, wink. That's
absolute paranoid schizophrenic.
No, you never know. They could be looking about. Not that we grasp it.
Who is?
I don't care.
I woke up. What was that conversation?
Come to me, fucking
Test
ass.
1, 2, 3.
What?
Test. Test. Bro, this fucking thing is so shit. It looks
Have you,
off.
Ben, have you used OpenAI's Whisper? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I use
Yes.
that on. So I used it local, and I use Grok. Actually, Grok Whisper. 'Cause it's fast as fuck. So.
Yeah, so I use OpenAI Whisper because it's great for interpreting Scottish accents. Well, I've used it, and it's only like very like minor things it's picked up compared to other voice models out there, but it's like I speak to it and it just thinks I'm talking like Hindu or something.
Yeah, yeah.
It was bad. It was like, I remember the original one I was using, I can't remember, I think it was just one of the more baseline voice models. I spoke to it and it replied to me in Thai, and I'm like, I don't speak Thai, I speak English. Like, what's
Yeah.
going on here? I've had it spit back Thai, Korean, like most other languages that obviously I don't speak. I can barely speak English as it is, so. Oh, HMW modding as well, but I haven't touched that in like 2 weeks. I stopped playing HMW, so I haven't really touched that as much.
I was a bit.
I've got a badge.
Got a bitch.
I mean, what time have you been up since, Scottish?
Cheek, but 10. But I done 23. No, 10. 17k.
I mean, you would have been out in the sun all day as well, so that would have
Yeah, man,
probably...
fucking done, man. I went from the Humphrey to the Greenie, back to the Humphrey and home again.
Very nice.
Oh, Humphrey. Is it the Greenie that's the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I done Humphrey, Greenie, back to Humphrey and walk back.
Yeah, I've just...
man.
Just got you casually putting a kid zooming in near enough to my fucking back door. Oh, what the fuck are you doing?
I zoomed into that bit. You zoomed into the bit.
I'm just gonna fly a drone to your house casually and be like, yeah, see you later. I just do that, just fly a drone to your house and hook like a can of Monster or something to the bottom of it.
Commit now and tidy up.
And probably leave some totally very nice family friendly messages on it.
Trinity, there we go. Lovely. Oh,
This
this
can
is
of Monster
nice.
I've had in like 4 days, what the fuck.
Much faster now. Nice. Pretty fun when that happens. It's like a game of it when you first complete that round of game of set. When did you have your aha moment? Well, like aha in terms of AI and its capabilities.
Sorry.
Is that what you mean?
Oh my god.
Because yeah, I mean, like this is the most fun I've ever had on a PC. I think using this.
Yeah,
Not gonna
Scottish,
lie.
I'm still back. All of the best ones from one site.
This gave
Yeah,
me the same
if I
feeling
get
that I
off
got when I
one site,
first
I can
played
just order the first
World at War
4
Zombies for the
parts,
first time.
see how they are, and then form that core with the other 6.
I think it was when
But I need to go to bed, I'm so tired.
I think it was when I started building the MCP for all of my Claude Code sessions to work together, like the Lift AI, Inspector Clouseau, and then it linking up with my coding chat. So here, I go here, Lift AI code here. So all this shit here.
Have you set
And it been able to QC stuff and
with the MCP as well?
put stuff this. Hold on 1 second. So yeah, when I basically done all this and added all the different agents that can talk to each other in all the different chats and whatever else, that's when I was thinking, okay, I can literally anything at all that can be done digitally is possible. I can literally do anything that with code. I can literally fucking create a vibrating dildo that after 10 seconds sends a signal to Discord for one agent to contact another Discord to fire off a firework that goes from my left monitor to my right monitor. And then the right monitor has like pixel scanning, so when it sees a burst of a firework, that then triggers my light switch to go on into my house through a connection from like one of the fucking smart apps, you know? Like that's the most retarded, crazy example I can think of, but yeah, literally anything's possible. I'm gonna do a full smart home system when I get my own house, and I'm gonna have everything, absolutely everything. I'm gonna have like a camera in every room in the house. I'm gonna have speakers. I'm gonna have a voice agent that has a wake word I can talk to anywhere, and that can control anything in the house in terms of smart stuff. But I'm gonna have to make sure security is tight as fuck. So that's one thing.
I'm gonna come pen test it and pen you.
Pen test me, baby.
It's only gay if you make it, of course you'd make it gay.
Shut up, you. Stop trying to goad me into saying shit.
I'm not.
You fucking are.
It's also scary. I think I was excited about it, but it's also scary. Like I have the belief that with the way AI is going and how it works on a fundamental level, it's a prediction model that can use tools and whatever else. So you put in something, it's trained on a just colossal amount of data. It interprets what the user wants as an output, and then it uses tools or whatever else to make sure it gets the most accurate output possible. When you have that and you refine it over and over again, and when the compute is so crazy, like in 10, 20 years, you're going to have people that are running local models that can hack into whatever, unless someone's got an AI basically protecting it. It's literally going to be a fucking full-on AI versus AI type deal. And it only takes one terrorist or one smackhead with way too much compute and power to be able to do a whole fucking lot. And especially considering AI stuff's getting physical now with robots and the stuff that China's building, I think we're all gonna fucking die, to be honest. If I'm being completely honest, I know it sounds psychotic, but I think that I think it only ends with that. When something like this, when you know, when you get that sort of, when you refine things over time, like now it's a fucking baby, you know, it's less than a baby, it's a fucking fetus right now. So I think when this AI thing really matures in 20 to 30 years, I think it's going to be very fucking dangerous. Very, very dangerous. I don't think a lot of people have realised that yet. Yeah, that's my, you know, crackhead take. But yeah, I genuinely believe that as well. I genuinely believe it will get to that point.
It loves a bit of the crack.
And I'm a pretty logical person as well.
Oh, that 5k monitor.
What if it figures down real joints? Okay, right, so is that actually live? Oh, bro.
Come on, man.
Let's have a look. Oh my god, that is fucking terrifying. Look at these fucking guys walk. Like, they're like walking backwards or something. Ugh.
Streams delayed like by a minute.
Oh. What the fuck? Okay, now they're moonwalking.
That's quite killer though.
They are now. The legs move, but it looks like the.
I've edited that list. Scottish to the right one.
Oh, bosh.
Right. And
Probably worth documenting as well, like AI hallucinations and shit, because I don't feel like that's
the
talked about
model
enough.
is moving forwards like moonwalking. Hopefully that's a good enough description for it.
Callum, see that one there? This
Push all.
VSF.
Push all.
I think VSF looks the best though, isn't it?
I would love,
no, VSF is for the standard sub, black sub.
I would love like a fully like white watch, like white and silver.
Would you?
Yes, I would. I just think
We'll buy one then.
maybe I will.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just get a nice dude.
Dispatch fixes, make sure you give it a robust prompt and the context it needs to complete the task perfectly. This is an important task that we need to make sure that's checked.
Let's get over here.
Get a much of milk.
Backrooms are skate together, what a game that was.
Agreed, and people need to build the infrastructure. Who do you think is doing that? It's bad enough I've built a human-only internet that needs funding of billions, but yeah, I get it. Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, people will definitely be building the infrastructure, but the thing is as well, as soon as AI moves to a physical element, when you've got robots that can do things and that look like humans and can pick up things, but even outside of that scope, when you have like fucking 4 or 6-legged arms robots that all work together to do something and can pick up crazy heavy stuff, when you have like AI that can do stuff on a physical level, like mining resources or oil or whatever else and processing it in factories and that sort of stuff, when all that sort of stuff's automated, that's when it becomes a problem and things start scaling up like crazy, right? Obviously, we only got a limited amount of resources on the planet as well, but I think with the way things are going, and NVIDIA's chips as well that they're building, I do think it's only a matter of time. But yeah, I think people will build it, but it only takes, say, you know, someone to jailbreak something like Fable 5, hack into, you know, something in fucking, yeah, NASA, well not NASA, but like the Pentagon or some shit, right? And I don't know, something's left that could potentially be dangerous, or a piece of information that could start a war, like a world war, or I don't think nuclear codes are ever going to be digital, but like, you know, launching nukes and shit. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, wars are definitely going to be, I mean, they're already being fought differently with drones and stuff, right? And there was already a report of a drone for the first time ever killing a human, completely unmanned, automatically. So yeah, it's only the beginning of things. They're going to get spicy for sure. Yeah, I feel sorry for my kids, to be honest. Or me when I'm an old man. But, you know, I'm an old man. I've lived my life, so.
My kids are going to be vibe coding to shit.
I know heads up. Send to the kid.
I'm not going to send them education. I'll just get just build an AI tutor. Especially if the way education's going these days. But that's all I'll say about it.
Yeah. Test, hello, hello. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I had a look and all of the parameters don't seem to change too much visually from what I've seen. It changes the size and a couple other bits. It's a very simple expand in and out, which I think is good. Maybe we go for the defaults and then go from there. Or we can reference another repository with some sort of audio visualizer with speech that's similar and basically go from there.
What's that one, Scotty?
That's the VSF no date.
Execute sub-agent driven.
I like the no date as well. I think I've...
Let's see. I think what I'll do, I'll get VSF.
What do you think? It's the biggest company on the planet. It's the defense, our future defense in the future to control the what's around the world. Nobody understands that. Yeah, I mean, that's literally, I think there's a lot of defensive posturing as well going on between different governments, and like with Nvidia and not set like banning them from sending chips to China and whatever else. So I think they're aware, and they're aware of where the situation can go, and if a company or a country like China, you know, is the most powerful. Because for me, I think if China gets enough power that they can take down the US, they probably will. Because their ideology and whatever else is so fundamentally different than ours. I think they would probably try and wipe us off, or at least...
quality made in China.
I don't know. I don't want to get too political, but it's fucked. We're all fucked, I think. Her
We all
world's
love
fucked.
fucking politics.
So I'm just enjoying myself.
Yeah.
Right. For definite, Callum. VSF date, VSF no date, and then the Bruce Wayne with the oyster. That's my. I'll buy those 3.
And I personally just think that politics and YouTube, it's like a very fine line. You say the wrong stuff and it's just bang, that should demonetise, that's your channel going nuts. So that's the rest of it.
Rubbish. I wouldn't do that stuff.
The thing is, we're changing different projects and adding projects as well as agents into projects like multi-agent projects. So what's the best structure to have this and to be able to edit stuff like the Claude MD agents and the structure of the DevSync MCP, for example, to make this the most efficient and clean as possible? We want to make sure we do things in the proper way and not take shortcuts.
I want to go to my bed again, but I can't. Fuck.
Right, here's the link for the no date. That's all right.
Are you buying watches, Scottish?
Yeah, I'm going to buy 3.
Nice.
What Callum's doing is Callum's getting me all of the 3 from one website and try and get a discount on it.
Push.
So I'm buying that Submariner date,
And,
then no
and
date.
selecting like the best factory and the best movement, what's out at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just like too much.
So that's what, 2k, that's alright by the way.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That thing's coming tomorrow, so I'll have 7 slots left.
Nice.
So I'm not waiting any longer.
Yeah, so a good thing to do is like if you email them with those links, and just say,
You know what I'll do it right now. Don't forget.
Yeah, just put like, I want to order these. Is there any discount?
Dark mode.
But I'm going to be ordering more in the future. I just want
Dark mode
to
anywhere?
get these ones for the moment.
So would this be better? So those VSF submariners, would they be better than InTime?
They're the exact same. But it's from the same factory.
It's a
and the
different
same
dealer,
motor.
yeah?
Yeah, it's just a different dealer.
Right, sick. Right, I need that one.
What's next?
Wait, no, I need that one. Where's the no date? I need that one. Right, so I'm gonna order VSF.
Yeah, you'll get
1, 2,
in.
6, 6, 10 LN. 3, 2, 5.
They're within the world's most advanced societal infrastructure, and it's kind of amazing to see from my end of the spectrum. I mean, the cars alone are 10 years ahead of us and 3 times cheaper. Exactly, yeah. Yeah, completely agree. Completely agree. They've got all the resources and the infrastructure set up while we've been super lazy with it, outsourcing stuff directly from them and pumping money into them. So, it's, yeah, it's interesting.
Wait, how would I want this?
Hi there, I want to buy a watch.
Hey, just inquiring.
Give me watch.
Upcoming.
I'm looking to order these 3 watches, and I'm definitely looking to order more in the future. Is there possible discounts for ordering multiple watches? I don't know. Use
What's a
Claude
reception?
for the word something real
Probably-
smart.
Yeah, I bought the 5 times £100 a month one, so I'm going to use it for the first time now.
We'll get Claude CLI downloaded in, you crazy bastard, and start building shit.
That's what I do.
I've told you this for fucking ages. Well, I've told him for a while and he's just like, I'll get around to it, and then just fucking doesn't.
Hmm.
Yeah, lazy.
I'm gonna zoom in a bit. I can't see properly.
So that one.
Uh,
2.
let's. Can I save this and then full screen it?
3. Right, I've sent him the email.
Have you?
Nice.
Oh, it actually kind of does. I think that's fine. No, I can still see their feet for it.
Right, submit. There you go, Callum.
That looks better. When they actually stop in place, though, it sort of snaps. It needs to be a smooth, human-like motion.
What's going on here?
The men-shaped stick figures that are actually sitting down on the desks and the tables in the rooms. Also, their legs are often in front of the chair when they should be behind, or a table. Consider the object they're sitting on, where it is on the 3D plane, and where their legs should be. As an American, it's crazy to see that EU is so reliant on the US. Oh, it's crazy. EU is reliant on the US and Asia, India and China, you know? It's fucking awful. Chip making as well. Taiwan or whatever, because of the silicon, I think it is.
I mean, they rely quite heavily on a lot of companies, probably even in America as well, rely pretty heavily on Taiwan when it comes to developing, like, iPhones and that, for example. A lot of the cameras, a lot of the internals are all outsourced from Taiwan.
Yeah.
The same with the chips as well.
Yeah, a lot of the physical stuff is what worries me. Is like, we've got a lot of the technology and like the brains, I guess.
Well, I mean,
but they've got a lot of physical stuff going on in terms of pulling resources and whatever else.
without getting political, I think we should have I think everyone should sort of have like a basic concern of what they're actually putting into our devices now.
Yeah.
I mean, I think they always should have. It's just a common trait, but I think even more now, it's probably worth having a bit more concern over.
Yeah, 100% was, yeah. I guess I'll just call you Anthony now. No, I actually know your name. Don't have to call you Wes. I need to go to fucking bed, boys. God damn.
Yeah,
That's just fun though. I have to do more streams and just sit and chill and chat. And we'll play that Mecha Chameleon game as well. That seems so fucking fun. So
yeah,
that'd be sick. That'd be super fun. Alright, boys, have a good night. Take care. Shalom.
See you later, mate.
Alright, guys, I'm off. I'm going to bed. I am very tired. That looks like he has a penis. What the fuck? Yeah. Yeah. But I'll definitely be doing a few more of these. It's just good fun to sit here and chat and not just sit by myself vibe coding. So yeah, very cool. Definitely do a bit more of this. Well, have a lovely night, gents. Take care. Thank you for coming and hanging out. And yeah, have a good night, Anthony. Take care, man.
stream starting. About to start grinding. Ooh, fall sleeping. We be climbing. Time to build our empire. We will never stop trying. Traditional coding, that shit already dying. I just want the best life for my family, no more crying. I'm in love with the game, and now we started flying. I'm vibe coding to 1,000,000 rags to riches. Building up bread, no time for bitches, no sleep now. Got the whole room spinning. Late nights turning to big boy, living a vibe coding to 1,000,000. Locked in with chat. No O's, epic for my wallet, I want that shit fat. We all vibe coding to 1,000,000. Legendary story untold. Count my fucking blessings, cause only legends strike gold. I used to sit broke with a head full of noise. Now I turn pressure into product, pain in the poise. I don't need a middleman, don't need permission. I just need a clean idea and a cold ambition. Everybody talks big when the dream feels pretty, but the grind gets heavy when the lights stop hitting. I've been up past 3 a.m. with the doubts all heavy. Still trying to make a life where my family feels steady. I'm still clocking that cuts like a blade. That's fuel in the tank, that's rent getting paid. That's why I don't stop when the mood starts fading. That's why I build the future while the rest stay waiting. I don't chase clout, I chase leverage. Broke boy pass, but the mindset's venomous. Unlimited power in my hands, making Sith Lords jealous. I'm the Darth Vader of AI. This shit effortless. Fuck slow, fuck safe, fuck standing still. Fuck every little voice saying Ben be real. I am being real, that's the whole damn deal. I'm trying to turn my life into something the world can feel. I'm vibe coding to 1,000,000 rags to riches. Building up bread, no time for bitches, no sleep now. Got the whole room spinning. Late nights turning a big boy, living a vibe coding to 1,000,000. Locked in with chat. No O's, epic for my wallet, I want that shit fat. We all vibe coding to 1,000,000. Legendary story untold. Count my fucking blessings, cause only legends strike gold. This ain't guru shit, this ain't fake cars. This is cold room blue like graveyard. This is what now, turning into watch out. This is broke off, stacking to the bank now. I don't want fame with an empty account. I want freedom in numbers I can't pronounce. I want doors open and when they counting me out. I want mom off work with the keys to a brand new house. I've been mad at the world, but I'm done just moaning. ADHD brain in my skull, that shit don't stop flowing. Got prompts on lock, so call me AK-47 cause we unloading. We don't splash waves, we fucking make motherfucking oceans. Every late night got the pressure compounding. Every small win got the whole room bouncing. This might be more than a stream going live. This might be how I drag my whole life outside. I don't need perfect, I need motion. I don't need luck, I need focus. I don't need hype, I need kosher. I don't need sleep, I'm dreaming and talking. If it breaks, repair. If it burns, rebuild. If they laugh, let them dollar signs in our eyes. In the heart, still we finally vibe. Coded to 1,000,000, sitting on riches. Got all the bread, still no time for bitches. I'm sleeping good now, got the whole planet spinning. No more late nights, but we got the big boy living. We vibe coded to 1,000,000. Congratulations, Jack. I need those epic for my wallet. Dollars falling out of it, it's so fat. We all vibe coded to 1,000,000. Legendary story now told. Let's count our blessings, cause now we all living legends in suits of gold. Stream live, this is it.